Good morning, guys. Welcome. As you can see, we got guests with us today. We got Palmetto in the middle. We got Dave in the middle, and we got Nimkins up top. We are having a little bit of technical difficulties. I'm not sure why. OBS completely shut down on me right before we went live, so that's why we're coming in a little bit late today. Morning, Savvy. Morning, Martin. Morning, Phoenix. So, chat, if you can let us know if there's lag on your guys' end in the chat, I would appreciate it. So, how are we feeling today, guys? Talking to you, Palmetto. Talking to you, Nimkins. Talking to you, Dave. You're all good, guys. So we had an FP this morning. It looked like it pumped right into that 20,250 level. I'll be watching that level because if we hold above there, I'm thinking more upside. If this rejects on the open, we're probably heading right back down into this 20,060 to 20,080 area on the NQ. Palm, I know you're going to be waiting for initial balance to set more than likely since you're trading the one setup. All right, so you're done. You're not trading at all. Yeah, chat. I will only be able to show my charts today. I won't be able to show any of their charts. We did find out that having Skype running, my processor can't handle the amount of applications that are running at the same time, and that's why we were experiencing lag. So I will be in the market for a new PC very soon. Maybe not. Let's see. Guest audio. I got this. Give me a second. All right, go ahead and talk now.
All right, Mason, apparently it was your fault that the Discord audio didn't work.
Is the sound all good, guys?
Can you hear that it's your fault, Mason?
We got market open.
All right.
Very exciting. Open. What the heck?
I mean, I'm with you, Savvy. When Palmetto appeared, I was like, this guy seems a little bit drunk.
All right,
I don't know
we
yet.
should be good.
I'll find out in like an hour, depending on how it goes.
So yes, just so you guys can see who is who. Oh, the names don't even show up on there for some reason. Dave is right above me on the cameras. Palmetto is third from the bottom.
I was gonna say,
Nimkins
might
is
try
up top.
something new,
Oh, correct.
but I'm gonna BRB because it doesn't look like my overnight sweep is gonna happen.
Oh yeah, you were gonna be aggressive, huh?
Yeah, look at this. Yeah, this is what I told you. Free stream here, Nims.
Well, it looks like we're getting it done. I'd be interested at the 70-60 buy, and if it's still looking heavy, then I'll do what I've done all morning and buy 20k.
Yeah, you guys can see on my charts now, I do have an indicator on for IB and overnight.
Oh,
So
okay.
we got
Why is it in the
overnight.
middle of it? Oh, it's so ugly in the middle of your charts.
What do you mean it's so ugly in the middle of my charts?
Can't you have it like on the side where it marks it, like near
This?
the
No,
numbers?
it doesn't allow
Yeah.
you to adjust. It moves.
Oh,
It prints with the candles.
okay.
ES and NQ are working together this morning, which is more than they've done lately.
It
Yeah,
was
yesterday
so
they were
nice
completely
pre-market.
uncorrelated.
Everything was like just perfectly in tune, so you could see what was happening. I'm telling you all, wake up early for the London session. It's so much more chill.
It's like we got 18 viewers in here right now, which means 3 of them are you guys. Nim and Dave and Palm.
I don't think Palm's got the stream on.
Palm
Sounds like
is
Palm's
making a
taking
coffee
a little
or
sick
something.
break. He's taking a little sick break.
VIX is down. So what's going on?
Kevin, what does the clock say today?
Is Kevin here? Oh, there's Kevin. Good morning, Kev. Morning, Invictus. Well, do we have the complete news retrace here?
Hi.
At least half of it. I mean,
Morning
I'll watch
DCD.
it.
Yeah, I agree. Let's get that money.
23 viewers now. Okay, people are filing in. Are you trading your XFA today?
Me? No. I got the email from EdgeClear saying that margin increase, which means they're expecting high volatility. So I will be on Combine. At least until I get a good feel for what's going on.
What could go wrong?
There's Donna.
Hey, Donna.
Morning,
Welcome.
Donna.
Good morning. Nice and early for you if you're in Cali.
Yeah. Okay, stopped right at that fair value gap on the 15-minute. Because I know Wes loves those. I just need to call it out.
So, Dave.
Yes.
You want to explain what happened yesterday?
Well, I can tell you that through some really hard study and scientific methods and intuition, I made a great trade, and then somebody came in and tried to take credit for it afterwards.
And how many
So-
points did you take out of the trade? Did you just take the 20?
I took a lot more than the 20 on that trade because
okay.
Nimkins told me to keep going, and I listened. It was an amazing trade.
I'll be bringing this up each week for the next month. Just to let you
I
all
have to
know.
give Nims. I give you all the credit in the world on that one. That was awesome.
884 works great yesterday. It did indeed, Kev. So if 884 works great yesterday, why were you long from 20k 40? Explain me this, Kevin. Is Palmetto still not back?
No, he's still not back. Sorry, guys. I'm adjusting my mic settings right now so that there isn't the echo that they might hear on stream. Chat, let me know in the chat if you guys can hear echo when they talk. I'm having to adjust the gain on my mic because your guys' sound is coming through my speakers, so my mic might pick up some of that sound, and that's why they hear echo sometimes.
On full transparency, I took a news trade and got 20 points off of it.
I thought you were going to say full transparency, you're in a trade. I was about to ask you. It's been 6 minutes since it's open. You're not
Music
in a trade.
is a
Dave.
little loud. Okay, let's turn the music down. All right, let me know if that's better, Phoenix.
Yeah, this thing's got to settle down. Well, it's already settled down. This is kind of open when you think about what the
Let me
news
turn up their mics so that you can hear them a little bit better.
Nims, what level are you looking for?
I would like to buy the news retracement. So if we came down to 70, and I'd probably like a Wickham reclaim. So maybe like a wick down to 40 and then like reclaim the box for a long would be ideal.
Okay.
Back.
That would be like the prettiest thing. Or even if it gets heavier, if we can get what we got this morning on London Open, like a Wickham reclaim of the 80 to 19,980 to 20k box for a long, like that would be really, really good. But this area is terrible up here. I mean, maybe it's better now we've come back to it, but last time it was miserable.
Well, ES is starting to drop and it's pulling in Q. I mean, it looks like ES is leading the way so far this morning.
Yeah, I want to see what happens at 780 on the ES if it holds.
I concur. Whatever these guys said, I concur.
Yeah.
Yeah, Palm.
Yeah.
Wholeheartedly agree.
Yeah.
Morning, Daniel.
The VIX is down.
All right, chat. Is the stream good now? Music levels are good. Sound is good. You're not hearing echo off their mics or anything like that?
Look at these wicks, just nasty.
All right.
It's
so
not.
Heavy
It's
says
not as bad
trend
as
is good.
yesterday, though, Dave.
Well, for opening, pretty nasty.
Yeah, but
Pretty
what were
sideways.
you What are you looking for?
I'm looking
1,000
for the
points right now.
1,000 points, right?
Yeah. $1 million trade.
Lambo now.
Hey, Palm,
Love
if you
it.
look at my charts, I do have IB and overnight.
Center.
Oh yeah, I saw that you added
Yeah.
them. So
Yeah.
Right.
what's the idea with them? You just want to know like where the level is as a point of reference?
So I'm going to. I tried Dave's little overnight breakout trade as it came back up into it on the high. I didn't hold it though, unfortunately, and took a break even. But the thing did run for like 70 plus points. I will say
Telling
that.
you, it's a deal.
Nice.
Don't give him credit, Wes. Don't give him
I
credit.
played it on the based on the 5-minute opening range yesterday. I didn't wait the full 15, but it worked on the 5-minute. So what
Wait,
did you say this? What did you say the CME technical opening range is?
30 seconds.
30 seconds, yeah.
Okay, yeah, I'm
Yeah.
not pulling up a
30
30-second
seconds.
chart.
Yeah, no way. Kev, where are your 10 minis, just for reference?
That
10
silence
minis.
is deafening.
I mean, 10 minis sitting below where?
Look at this market maker. Look at this Fed.
Yeah, Phoenix, that's right,
This Fed-
actually.
this
That
Fed.
is right.
It's bad.
Wait, let me have a look at charts. Can you scroll down on your charts, Wesley, to
Helicopters are showing up just for me laughing at it.
19,850 to 830?
Damn harsh.
You mean way down here
Yeah, yeah.
where I
Oh,
have
wait,
nothing
guys.
but black on my charts?
Okay.
Harsh, I didn't pressure
can we
him
put in a
into
golden
level
level there?
Nope.
But
We
you
cannot
put in
put a
IB
golden
for
level
him.
there.
Harsh,
What
I
is
didn't.
it?
Hold on.
He doesn't
Hold
even,
on.
he didn't even want to turn up to your stream, and he gets his IB in, and
That's
my
not true.
golden
No.
level.
Well, kind of shows you the value of the
Damn.
value of the ideas. I'm just saying. I'm just gonna put that out there, Nims.
I didn't pressure Wes to do this at all. He hit me up and was like, "Look what I added." And I was like, "Nice,
Yeah,
dude."
it's
Oh,
true. I did add it.
Okay,
I
that makes it
did.
even worse.
It was
And
thanks
what
to
you say-
Martin. Martin was the one who pointed it out. I didn't know how to add him
Yeah,
on,
but don't blame
as
me.
an indicator. I had to
Oh,
add him
so
as
blame
a
Martin, not me.
range indicator.
So you add levels for Martin, you add levels for Palmetto, and Dave, can we get back to the comment of the value of the indicators? Are you trying to say that my golden levels do not provide value? Because
Hell, I'm not.
I
I'm not sure I'm
believe
try-
I
don't think
took
I'm-
a long from that golden level, and it ran for 150 points. Now, whether I took profit on that trade or I let it run back to break even does not matter. Okay.
Yeah, he
I'm not
came all the
trying
way
to
back.
say it. I'm saying it. I mean, is anybody doing anything with this? This is like,
Nope.
ugh,
Sitting on hands
You
right
know,
now.
it's bad when Dave's not doing anything with it.
seriously. I would have been slinging already, but no
Ugh.
way. Ugh.
Well, I did see yesterday that the longshoremen ended their strikes, so I was kind of anticipating upside a little bit. I just don't know how long it continues.
You see how much they get? 62% raise.
I know that's
Unbel-
absurd.
amazing.
They were asking for
amazing.
70.
Yeah, they
Damn.
rejected 50.
Has anyone got a
Amazing.
raise that big, like in just like normal work from a strike? Is that
Yeah,
a regular
you
thing in
did
America?
Right, you did right now coming on this stream.
I'm getting paid. This is new news to me.
You did right now.
All
The
right.
money that you will earn by your own trading by coming on the stream. is
Oh,
your
okay.
raise.
You're just not special, Nims. I love that, Martin.
Yeah, I've gone from 10 cents an hour to 17 cents an hour.
They're saying you're just not special, Nims, in the chat. You're just not special.
Yeah, I've gathered that, Martin. I'm trying to have to react to this live on stream because I found out with you guys. I had my suspicions when he refused to put the golden levels in. Now it is confirmed.
FedEx got a raise like that, and then they all got laid off. Yeah, yeah, you're right. Actually, you're right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, automation's coming. I mean, they're fighting it, but it's got to come.
Yeah.
Globally, we don't even rank in the top. None of our ports in the U.S. rank in the top 50 ports for efficiency in the world globally. So it's got to happen.
Yeah, I think that was they were just giving them what they want because they know that they'll be out the door in the next 2 years. If I had to guess.
So
I used to move 3,500 cans a year from China into the U.S. containers, and as part of my job back in the 90s. And yeah, it's not. Long Beach is busy as heck, but it's got some problems.
So my railway, like for where I live, it's like Southern Rail. They have been going on strike like on and off for 10 years. They don't even want a pay rise. All they want is for there to be another person on the train apart from the train driver to like.
Oh, I think I heard about this.
Yeah, I kind of, yeah.
Still haven't given in to their requests.
Why do they go on strike and then off strike? Why not just commit to a strike?
I don't know. I mean, it seems like they're on strike permanently. Like whenever I get on a train to like London or anything, they'll be like, just trying to locate a driver, and everyone will just be sitting on the train like completely packed.
Damn.
I never had that on the Great Western when I'd go out to Cardiff.
Oh no, but the railways weren't private back then.
Ah, that's true. What do you mean back then? What are you talking about?
Back in the Great Depression.
Steam engines?
Yeah. You get the train and then the horse and carriage into town.
Oh my God.
We have 10 a.m. news, right?
Do we?
Do we?
Oh, yeah, I heard someone say news. Do we? I assume so because we're just going sideways.
I mean, this is.
I didn't. Let me stop being lazy. I'll check.
I'm checking right now. I know what you said.
We got a couple of Fed speakers going.
Fed speaking, Fed speaking all the way through. Who's Goolsby?
So traders shred bets on 50-point base cut in November after jobs data. So there will be.
Oh, we saw that move. That was the move from that news.
So
news. They're talking about they're not going to think there's a 50 basis points now. And we still have.
So no news, we're just sideways for fun. That's awesome.
Martin's, look at it. He gives you an inch, and now he's trying to take a mile. Martin. He gave you
I
I
agree with DCD. I think we accumulate here. He's right.
We just go sideways up here. That's why I didn't want to come here. I was so worried when it came up. I wanted to stop at like 160 and come back down. All right. Someone's going to have to take a trade, and I think it's going to have to be you, Dave.
Hold on.
Dave's probably already taken 5 while we're talking here. What are we talking about?
I've been short since 258. I don't know what you're talking about. No, we'll see.
DCD, what did the crown lines say? Hey, you trade whatever works for you. Whatever makes you money. I don't care what you use.
I agree.
Dave uses ICT.
I agree.
Pev uses crayons.
Well,
DCD
I'm now using
crayons.
Palmetto. I've been a convert over to Palmetto now.
Man.
But ICT still mixed in.
Okay.
Oh man. So of course.
No credit for me yesterday.
Well, and it was on the odd day.
Yeah.
Like
On the odd day. Okay.
when the blue moon.
All right, guys, you guys can stream take over for a minute. I gotta go use the restroom.
If uses a clock, that's true. Oh boy, this is. I mean,
in
the chat. Is anybody doing anything in the chat, or is everybody sitting on hands? Because that's got to be.
Just wake up early for London session. Palmetto, you could have just traded it before you went to bed.
It's true. That is true.
I don't know if Palmetto ever went to bed last night.
I did. Yeah.
I'm questioning.
I went to bed around like 1:30. It wasn't that late.
Oh, okay.
It was mostly the intoxication that was the problem.
Did you have fun though?
Yeah, I was watching the I don't remember. I can't remember team names to save my life. But the Birds, the Redbirds, Atlanta's team is at the Falcons,
Okay.
and who were they playing?
Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Yeah.
Yeah, Buccaneers. That was a good game. It was really close, all the way up until OT.
So where'd you go? Is it like a sports bar?
No, we went out to. This isn't gonna mean anything to you, but Colony Grill is like a really popular pizza place in this area of Connecticut. There's like they have locations in different cities. So we went to one of those, which is a sports bar. You're right. It 100% is a sports bar. What it wasn't.
Yeah.
And then got pizza, and then came back to my place and threw it on the big screen and had a time.
Nice.
Pretty fun.
Yeah, it sounds like a decent night.
Yeah, it was fun.
Awesome.
And now you've been forced to wake up to just go and sit and stare at Chop.
I'm not even gonna trade till 10:30. What am I doing here?
Yeah.
No, I was gonna look at. I was trying to do some of like this testing the last few nights, and my internet went out. I don't know if y'all saw that. I sent that in chat. I think that like Frontier just decided to, I don't know, do maintenance or something for like 2 days.
Unbelievable.
So I was looking at overnight. I have the overnight breakout strat that I potentially will take, depending on if it sets up. And then, which it set up yesterday, and I couldn't take it because my internet went out, which is awesome. But I'm experimenting with if it breaks the overnight before 9:30, instead of taking the breakout, taking the reversal there. I think it's an interesting idea. Because when I was testing the breakout idea, so many of my stops would come before 9:30 that when I eliminated the 9:30 trades, the like drawdown, the curve on it got a lot better. So I was like, what if I also take the opposite side of that trade before 10?
Okay, nice.
I like
That's what's up.
I am looking.
This is.
Do I take the money line on the Lions versus the Cowboys?
Oh my god.
Or do I take the spread?
Can you explain what the difference is? Because I don't know sports betting at all.
Oh, so
the
money line is just who will win and lose. So it's like,
okay.
I hear you.
So
You keep your money away from my Lions,
1.64. All right, go back to the restroom. Go back to the restroom. We're just talking about something. Okay.
Are we gonna come down then?
And then the spread is the Lions have to win by more than 3 points to get the spread.
Don't
So like the
bet
minus
NFL
spreads.
Don't bet.
No, I don't.
spreads.
I'll take the money line. You're right.
The
First of all,
NFL, the Vegas bookies are way too good with their spreads on
They
the
are
NFL games.
wired in. Oh, and it's the Cowboys. Ugh, I mean, ugh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Although, didn't the Cowboys get absolutely smacked in like the last game or the last second game? Something.
Dak Prescott is trash. I am so tired of people here saying Dak
God.
Prescott is a top 5 QB. He is not a top 5 quarterback in the
Whoa!
league.
Coming out of the gate.
He is trash.
Hard.
Every big game, the guy throws 4 or 5 picks. He's trash.
Yeah. Against the Saints, 44-19.
Yeah,
That's
he's trash.
tough.
And you know what's
That's
funny
so
about that,
tough.
Palm, is that week the Cowboys made him the highest paid player in the NFL.
Really?
That very same week.
Oh
yes.
wait, wasn't it the $100 million for 3 years contract? Was it that or something else?
I think it was a 4-year contract, but yes, he is the highest paid player in the NFL currently.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah,
Do we get a
mine.
breakdown now? Do we get a breakout here? Down to the downside?
I'm looking for a full news retrace. I mean, I'll be watching this 150 to 170 area to see if it wants to hold up and maybe bounce back up and try to go retest highs, but
Nims, I'm just saying I would bet on the Lions too.
Yeah. I mean, I bet on the Lions. The Lions win. It's proven. Yeah.
It's that simple.
They played 4 games. I bet on them 3 times. They've won. The game that I was not allowed to bet on them, they lost.
I still can't believe you missed that last game. You didn't watch it. I know you watched it after the fact, but
Yeah.
dude, watching it live was electric. It was a sick game.
But Martin, that's the problem. Is after the last game, you can't bet on rushing yards because Goff will have this false sense of confidence that he's the greatest quarterback in the world after the last game, and they just won't run the ball at all.
He just doesn't have to turn the ball over. As long as he doesn't turn the ball over,
Yeah.
the Lions will be in every game. But that's every game, Palm, that the Lions play. Every game comes down to the last few minutes of the game. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
We're the only
If
team in the
Goff
league
can
that can have a
perform the
quarterback
way
that goes
he
perfect
was,
and still be
Hey,
in
man.
a close game.
And they
if
just need to
Goff
run
can
the ball.
perform-
You're right, Nims. They do just need to run the ball. In
Yeah.
fact, that was the only thing I said to you that night was,
Yeah, I got
Oh, okay.
text at 2 a.m. on like Monday morning. Like, just run the ball.
Yeah, I hope
oh, we're having issues.
DCD is still is. I hope DCD is still in this trade. He went short, I think, right? Yeah, at 228.
Discord just went black.
We've got
Oh.
issues.
I can still hear you.
I can still-
Yeah,
well,
no,
'cause
we're
we're
good on audio, but
Oh, look at this melt. Oh, I
all right, we should be
short.
back.
Dave, wait.
DCD,
Patience.
please tell me you're still in this trade.
Yeah, DCD
anyone
was
hear
short
us
from
anymore?
up top, wasn't he? Like
Yeah,
220?
this is awesome. What a trade.
Might just want to sit in that. I think you might get the full retrace here down to
We might get
20,070.
yesterday's
Yeah.
high. We're gonna
I
get
think-
yesterday's high.
I think maybe it'll pay 150 points.
Yeah, this is brilliant.
Look at the FOMO. He's itching. His hands over the red
Oh.
button right now. He wants to fire the trigger.
It's too late. I can't chase this. I'm like,
No, you're shorting right into VWAP.
yeah, no way.
Oh, he's out.
But
He's taking his
what-
take profit.
Oh, good man. Well,
Nice
he had
trade.
150 as his target.
Nice
What a
trade,
trade.
DCD.
Well, Dave, if you don't think you're going to get much more of the move, you can just size up, and then you get double the move.
Exactly.
Oh my god, that's how you're right. That is how that.
Yeah.
Who's going to be the
I
VWAP
agree.
buyer?
Someone is.
Yeah,
Someone is.
Who's going to do it?
Kevin.
Oh, Kevin
He's
is.
a PB
Kevin bought VWAP. Okay.
Kevin bought VWAP? Okay.
What a trade.
I want it to come down
Brilliant
further.
trade.
Whereas,
I think the short would have made total sense if we swept the overnight high. I'm just surprised we didn't take the overnight high.
I agree with that.
I was looking for that,
Yep, so was I. So was
but
I.
alas.
you want a long here, Dave? Looks good for a long.
I am still gonna believe it or not. I'm gonna set on my hands, which is
What is
I
this?
must temperature or something.
Wes, he needs a disciplinary meeting after this.
Let's
you.
see here. I might be the VWAP buyer. A little bit
It's
lower.
holding up.
If you do it, I'll do it. I'll do it on micros though.
kidding.
VWAP's just a little bit below where we're at right now. So for me it is. It's at 135.
The
No, I
ES
think we-
ES is holding that level as well. I see why you like it.
Oh yeah.
If we can get a quick sweep here. All right. It's tapping VWAP right
There
now.
it is.
Slammed right through it.
Oh,
I'm a
that's
VWAP buyer.
aggressive.
Wow, I almost went. Oh, you don't know how close I was to going short there. I had my finger on the trigger. Shoot.
That was quite the smack. We're still smacking.
Okay.
All right, so
All
now
right,
we're
then.
actually getting to an interesting level.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, I wish.
How wide is this balance already?
Oh, man. Look at
I
that,
mean,
60
if we
points.
can hold 70, we can do the wick down and reclaim of 60, 70. I'll go along.
Balance is 154 so far.
My charts are lagging like crazy right now.
Oh, I'm so mad at that. That would have finished my day with that short.
All right. What do I want to do here? Yes is
Not diddle in the middle.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, just be patient, I guess. I don't know. Oh, there's a lot of buyers down there.
I know, that's what I'm saying. ES hit a
Ah.
support area. That could be those topside wicks on the hourly.
Yes, it's got a little bit more to go down. I think 63. is where it goes.
Interesting.
And
I've
been
increase
messing
is
around.
58. 58 to NQ for sure.
So if we
What are you
go
looking
down,
for? 58?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
At a
Paul.
minimum, I'm looking for 58.
I've been messing around with this idea of, because I'm using range charts, it allows me to like just, I don't know how y'all feel, but like range charts to me, price action wise, just make more sense than time-based charts. And it's been really easy for me to like find an area, like a supply and demand zone almost. So I've been really interested in like marking out zones and watching them and seeing how we react. I haven't taken a single trade off of it yet, but just like observing and watching. Like right now, the little area that I have is 100 to 91, 90-ish.
Mm-hmm.
Not saying I'm going to take a trade off of it, but it's where we are right now, and it's interesting.
I'm a firm believer
so-
in support and resistance. Firm believer.
2 minutes to new candles.
so
A
the
minute to new candle.
760 on the ES, when we were tapping that earlier, it was around the like 20k 40 level.
I would say sell VWAP.
Do it, Dave. Do it.
I'm waiting for the top of the hour to see what it does. I'm not
Do you need the
kidding.
magic word?
Well, that
I
was a
don't like
healthy
anything.
step
I
down.
mean, I'd look for the long off this like 70 area.
Yeah.
If you get
I
some
do agree with
confirmation
you.
down here, and you could ride it up. But I mean, with the volatility, I'm sure you'll get like 78 points out of it if it holds.
That was a heck of a candle, though. Oh, look at it go before the hour. Here we
Smacked.
got 18 seconds. What an hour
Sell
candle.
idea was correct.
Yep.
All right. That's the
Wow.
sell
DC,
news
DCD,
retrace.
nailed it.
All right. I'm going to try the long here.
You're snapping it already.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
I want more confirmation.
I don't know what happened.
Are you long?
No, my order didn't take.
Well, it's
So I'm
saving
not
you.
long or anything.
I think it saved you
No, it's holding
a
up.
little. Yeah, it is holding up. Interesting. And ES is trying to hold up now. Oh, what a
It still looks a bit heavy.
Yeah. Delta
Yeah, I
diverging
think
a little bit, but we are trading lower, so
Yeah, I
we're
mean, it
gonna
might
go
be. I
lower.
might buy 20k for like the 4th time today.
I think we go lower. I'm going to be patient here and not try to do something stupid.
Well, it's holding. I'm thinking about snapping it. Where's he still alive?
still alive.
Yeah, I'm still alive. I'm trying to figure out why my order didn't take.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean,
It's all right,
Albie
Nims,
can
you
tell
got
you.
this. You can do the stream takeover.
All right, pull up the personal.
Pull up the
Alright,
personal.
yeah,
I would have to
yeah,
log
yeah,
into
yeah.
an entirely different
I'm
feed
playing.
in order to pull up the personal.
I'm playing.
I'd have to log
Interesting
out
here.
and log back in on that connection.
I do not want to play. Just hang on.
Because like the only accounts I have access to without logging out and logging back in are the top step accounts right now.
Do we accumulate here a little bit, or do we reverse out? I think we accumulate here a little bit.
I am.
Yeah,
Long.
Phoenix. I don't know what's going on. Like I
You're
tried
long?
to hit the buy button
Nims, you're
there, but
long?
it just
Jeez.
Yeah.
the order
Oh,
disappeared
man.
immediately.
Okay, let's see it.
I'm long.
Whoa,
I'm long
Nims.
70.
Where's your target, Nims?
140.
You're long
Ooh.
70? That's a sick
Yeah.
entry. That's like low day.
So amazing.
Yeah, damn. Sniper entry. Nice job.
Break
Holy-
even.
Who gave you that level,
Wow.
Huh?
Nims? Who gave you that level, Nims?
I made it myself.
Oh, did you?
It was a-
yeah.
Yeah,
Look
yeah.
at that
I drew it on.
entry.
I drew it on my charts myself.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, I mean, I've only been talking about that level for, I don't know, a week and a half now.
Yeah, I was away on holiday. I must have missed that.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is such an entry.
Yeah, it was a snipe.
Oh, VWAP sellers.
I mean, unless you got in where Nims got in, there's no reason to participate yet because you're at VWAP.
No, it's a good
You want to
buy.
snap in on this? It is. Thank you. We talked about it, but I talked about it as the stream started. What I'd like to see.
Yeah. Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
We'll watch it back.
Dang, that's an entry, Nims.
Oh, VWAP sellers.
You know,
Just
I'll
come
never
outside.
complain
Come
about-
outside. I just want to talk. Just want
I'll
to
never
talk.
criticize Nims' entries, but his exits are a whole nother deal.
What do you mean?
For 20
I think,
points.
I
take
think
your 20
Kevin's
points.
rubbing off on him. You hold till the death.
No.
Love what you did there, Nims.
Thank you.
All right, so Palm, you got about 25 minutes. If that holds as IBL, the IBL sweep could be violent today, just to give you a heads up.
Yep.
I would love that. That would make my day.
It could be. It could be pretty violent.
It's yeah. The thing
That
is,
level
like,
right there holds as IBL. It could be very, very violent.
the thing is, like, it's the strat is targeting like a very specific breakout. Like the stop is so tight and the break even is so tight that the breakouts it's really targeting are the ones that are just straight through, like no looking back, we're gone. So even if the break itself is violent, if there's even like
a bigger stop, Palm, I think you need to give it a little bit wider stop.
that's what I thought. I started with a wider stop, and it doesn't. I personally don't like it. It's just a lot of unnecessary risk. The curve. So all of the data that I track, or like the P&L for all of the different variations I've done on the strat, the one I'm using now had the best curve. It might not have made the most profit because I took out the fourth target, and instead of having a fourth target, it goes 2 off at target 1 and then target 2, target 3. So there's no fourth target. So I make a little bit less money, but the drawdown is a lot better, and that's what I was worried about. Like even if I average 5,000 a month on like one account, I'm so okay with that. At that point, it's not about profit. It's about how do I mitigate my risk so that I'm never in the position where I'm going through like a negative $2,000 drawdown and blow the account. So that's why the stop is so tight. And the break even is so fast.
I'm thinking about getting out of this.
I've always said it. Yeah, I agree with DCDF on this. This is no man's land right now. Unless it comes down. Okay, would this be a retest of that bounce off of this? Would you consider that, Wes? Or is this invalidated if it comes back down and touches it again?
Normally, I would consider this the reclaim because you basically broke that on news. So all it's doing is coming down and testing that opening price. If it holds above, say, 80, I would be thinking long. If it sweeps, I wouldn't consider this a break and retest. No.
Oh, no. What I meant though is if it comes
micros.
down.
I'm break
You
even
are
on
If
micros.
it comes back down again.
Right.
I took it with 4
definitely a
micros. This
retest
is
of
just
that 70
testing
level.
I'm just testing the target 1 gone. I'm testing the idea of like this whole scalping thing of like the level
on.
scalp.
Just get through VWAP. Stop selling
I
it.
agree, Nims. I agree.
Stop selling it.
I agree. We need
I'm
up
losing
right now.
shit. Sorry.
Alright,
I'm out. I'm out.
I got
I'm
break
out
even on
100.
that.
Yeah.
Look at that net.
This is.
Nice.
I think
Up
we got
43
down.
beans.
43 beans. I think we got downies in us coming.
Nim, so was your stop wasn't a break even, you're trailing?
Yeah, I trailed it to 100 after I moved it up on the next test of VWAP because I didn't want to get tilted for it coming back down. So
Gotcha.
I was like, I want to get at least 30 points out of this, and yeah, look at it now. It just didn't.
Yeah.
When we didn't get the push, it just seemed heavy that we were going to come further down.
Gotcha. Yeah, we're firmly chopping this area now, so
Yeah.
that
I mean,
was our attempt to get away.
I could have got an extra 15 points max out of it, probably. Like, realistically, there was like an extra 10 that I left on the table, I guess, with it. But it was worth a try to try and see if we got back up to 140. But
This
like
makes it,
when
I
it
mean,
came up, tested VWAP and then started coming down, it just seemed too heavy. Like there wasn't the momentum to actually force it through. So I was just
I
like,
wanted short.
Dude,
Okay.
new lows.
This is
good
for me.
exit.
This area
Good
here.
exit.
Look on the 1 hour. Yeah, great exit. Look on the 1 hour chart. If this can break down here, it's going all the way down to 19.
Oh my god, yeah. Wait, the
980.
time-based charts look so ugly with this.
Yeah.
do I
mean,
buy
this is
20K
mellow.
again?
This is going to go further. Oh, this is going to take a ride down.
You know, Nasdaq. You know what you want to do? You want to come down to a golden level,
Oh, gee.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
and we
Oh,
want to
yeah.
hold to the tick there.
Oh, this
my
is going to
goodness.
clean out some stuff here. There's some liquidity. It wants to clean. Oh, there's a low resistance liquidity run big time coming down here, especially on the 1 hour chart. Ugh.
What was that a couple of days ago, Wesley? And you were looking for a little bit lower, and I bought my golden level, and it's where it stopped.
Yeah. Rub it in.
Yeah, I will. I will.
Let him know.
Yeah. Doesn't look like your IB thing's giving you any money today.
It hasn't set
Well,
yet.
it will.
Yeah, it's not paid you. I stand by what I said. I stand by what I said. I stand by what I said.
Martin says
For-
19,990 is settlement.
40
Okay,
minutes. 40 minutes in, and it's done nothing for you.
972 is its ultimate target, but I think it even goes a little further down than that. Let's see what it does here.
I mean, I could run back the London Open trade if we get the Wickham reclaim down here.
I can't wait for my new web camera thing to come in.
Yeah.
I'm very excited.
Would you get a Logitech?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
really no need like for anything crazy when you're streaming to YouTube. Like most people aren't
Yeah,
viewing it
no.
in 4K or anything like that anyway. So
Yeah.
people
No,
are
I'm not doing
honestly
anything
watching
crazy.
streams from their phones.
Yeah. I just wanted something that, well, one, to fix the angle, because I hate, like, I'm looking at the stream right now. I hate the way it's like a side profile shot. And, yeah, also just the lighting.
Well, Nims can help you out with that while he's ripping the vape.
That's right. That is
Yeah.
right.
Well, the webcam has like the built-in ring light, so I'm assuming.
Oh no, you'll be good with that. That'll be all you need, man. That'll be
Yeah,
all you need.
that's
I mean,
why I wanted that.
the lighting's pretty good in your room and things as it is.
Yeah, the light
Debatable.
will be able to separate you from your background as well. So
That's good.
But we didn't quite get there. That's quite annoying.
It's very annoying.
Mm.
Very annoying.
Yeah, DCD, we were trying to shout to you that this thing's gonna run.
mirrorless.
Added at 25. Where's
Kev?
Kev's first entry? Where's Kev's first entry? Look at ES, Nick. Looking. Oh, look at the ES, how clean that is.
Yeah, it's very clean.
I don't know if it's gonna hold, though.
15-minute here. I got Annan trying to message me right now.
Break even. Why isn't he joining the stream? Why isn't he supporting us?
I'm not sure. I don't know. I can't go check his message though, because if I click anything on Discord, it'll mess up the cameras.
He's messaging me too.
Is he?
Micro's OP. Second account is chugging along as well. It's just posting lots of money on Micro.
Let me see if I drag this chart over to this monitor or something.
I'm like, yeah, I told him to come and say hi.
You told him to come say hi?
Yeah. what we did. The ES held us up at that level.
Yep, it did.
Yeah, that 760 level, which has been important for it all
Doesn't
morning.
make any difference. Sorry, guys. I'm just
What
trying
doesn't-
something out. Sorry,
Oh.
chat. I'm just trying something out.
What you meant the 760 level holding us up doesn't make any difference. I was like,
I
it
still think
seems
we'll
like
go
it
down.
is.
We're going to go down more.
Yeah, 10 of that is really clean on the ES. Did you take it? I
Okay,
mean,
so like the area I have right now with this support and resistance idea, supply demand, whatever, is like right where we are, 68 up into 75 was kind of like the prior swing low.
I gotta try an order here, just to
So
see.
I'd be
Oh,
interested to see what we do here.
Wes, you know why Anon's messaging us.
Why?
Look at the charts.
Oh, because they're and where it's downside. Yeah,
Yeah, he's obviously
Yeah,
taking
yeah,
a
yeah.
short from the top.
Yeah.
That's why he's messaging
Clearly.
us.
clearly.
That- It all
Alright.
makes sense now.
So this would technically be a reclaim for me right here if it holds, Dave.
Okay, so you'd be long or you'd be short?
I'm
Long?
long. In fact, I'll try it. Let's see if I can. Oh, my
From-
order stayed.
Because I'm thinking short.
Yeah,
Hmm.
I mean,
Would this be a break and retest to the downside?
let's see if we
You're
can get
long
through
from
70
where?
here. If we get back through 70.
It's
I'm long from 64. I really just placed this trade to see if Quantaro would accept
See if
the
it works. Nice. Little test trade.
trade. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, from what I've learned from you, I'd view this as a break and retest to the downside. Was
Yeah, I'm
Technically,
short
yeah.
from 60. I'm
Okay,
short from
now-
65.
But if it
Yeah,
holds,
now
it's
this is
a
interesting.
reclaim.
I
I'm
normally
potentially looking
thought
at
it was like a
short
wick
from
down and reclaim. But
69. Okay,
I
I'm
guess I
short
see what
from
you mean.
69. I'm break even from 69.
all right, well,
Do it.
someone's
Go.
going to get
I
paid.
I got break even.
Oh, yeah, it might take me out here. It took me out. Okay, Wes has got it.
All right, my stop is in. Now if we
Wes.
get back above 80 here.
Market, don't give him an easy ride through VWAP. Okay, he's taking the same position I took. All right, at least make him sweat at VWAP like you did for me.
I don't like that smack from 80. We need to get above 80.
Yeah,
for me.
that was a little tough there.
All right, my stop is in.
Buyers
this
still look
point.
okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I can't run it back.
Well, that's a nasty stop there if it decides to stop and not go further down. That's nasty. Where it stopped.
The ES held us up.
Yeah.
That's all it was.
There's an order block that held us up there on the ES, but
The
the
the ES came into that 760 level. That's been like important to it all morning and held off that.
This 80 level is pretty important, I would think.
I think he's good. He's good. Looking at the ES, Wes should be good.
Wes, what's your target?
106 right now.
Okay.
Nice.
Good job. Good job.
We take those. Yeah, nice buyers.
Thanks.
Good job.
You did okay, Wesley.
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine.
I'm just saying, you did okay.
You get filled? No, not yet. Okay, there you go.
VWAP.
Oh,
There's
don't get
VWAP.
cold.
Wow.
Oh, he's
there
giving
it
you
look
it.
at
goes.
that.
I'm giving you an
Nice
easy
trade.
ride through VWAP and you got out after what I had to go through.
Oh, I don't know about here.
I'm on combine.
That was a
and
nice
that's,
push.
That's max day
Oh.
because I had a
Oh,
I had like
okay.
a $500 cushion to start the day.
Oh,
Oh, so you're 1,500 up and closed?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah.
Nice.
I can't trade
Nice.
anymore.
CG. That's awesome.
Thanks, DCD.
Need a little counter on the stream for. Can you not just
Yes,
draw it
we've
on in a
talked about
crayon?
this. Nim,
You can
we're
draw
obviously
it on
having
a.
stream difficulties. Do you see the lag already that we're dealing with? We can't add more things to it until I get a new
Yeah,
PC.
we can.
Wait, so what computer are you thinking of now?
I'm
Are
probably
you
gonna
doing
do a
like a
custom
whole?
build. I'm just gonna custom
I was
build.
gonna say, custom build, throw all of like a max spec parts in there.
I don't know if I'm gonna go Mac just because of the. I would have to trade Motive Wave unless I buy parallels for everything as well.
No, not Mac. Max. MAX.
Oh, Max, yeah. I'm looking at an i9, preferably with a minimum 64 gigs RAM. Power supply. You don't really need a lot on the power supply. What do you think? 700 watt rated or 700 gold rated?
It depends what graphics card you're running on it. It's generally what like saps on the power.
I don't need a crazy graphics card. I don't play games, so.
Yeah, you should get one.
I don't play PC games, brother.
No, that's fine. Look
Look at this NVIDIA salesman over here.
Yeah, look, me and Mason have been talking about game night.
Crazy.
Bye, Scott. Enjoy your weekend, buddy. It'll help the stream. That's right, Martin. You'll get one now. Martin says to go and get a good graphics card.
Weird.
Why? Why would I spend all that extra money if I wouldn't utilize it?
Because Martin asked you to do it.
Oh, because Martin asked me to do it. Oh, okay.
Obviously.
Yeah.
I don't know. With trading, you don't need a crazy graphics card.
Yeah,
that's actually where you can save the money.
Why save the money if you're going all out? Why don't get the graphics card with it?
I don't know, because I'm frugal like that. I hate spending money. I have a hard time spending money on myself. I'm the
same.
I don't have a hard time spending money on other people, but when it comes to purchasing things for myself, I'm terrible about it.
Yeah, interesting. Well, there's this jet I've been looking at.
Yeah. Okay, I'm interested.
TCD says that's how you see high def candles.
You have my attention.
Yeah, this Gulfstream 550.
I have an NVIDIA graphics card.
Actually. Yeah, it will help. It will help a lot
in this
with
PC.
The stream. Yeah, but what NVIDIA graphics card? What from the 80s?
Damn, ruthless.
Yeah,
it is ruthless.
Is what's in there, I guess.
Whatever what model? What model?
Does it start with a 2, 3, or a 4?
It's probably just into. I'm not sure. I would have to look up the specs on it entirely.
Can't you just go to like system settings and it'll tell you what's in there?
Mate, he's having enough difficulties if he changes the screen.
That's true.
We'll be gone. That'll be stream over.
Disregard.
Phoenix says, "Buy me a graphics card, then."
Yeah, for real. Yeah,
Wes, enough.
Venmo me a light $3,000 so I can get a new laptop. Thanks.
Everybody asking for money all of a sudden because of what I said.
Yep. Alright, it's trying to hold up here around the 80s.
Yeah.
Maybe we just range 80 to 20 for the next 4 hours. That would be exciting.
Well, I mean, you got what, 8 minutes till IB is set for you?
Yeah.
Oh, so you can find your useless indicator.
It's not okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
the golden level is already set.
I aim for like 3 to 5 executions a day, despite what you see on stream. I try to not trade more than that. I found when I trade more than that, no offense, Dave. I see you smiling there, but I found when I trade more than that, those are usually my big red days.
Yeah, no, it happens. I mean, that's with me too.
Yeah, overtrading will get you.
Well, that was a perfect VWAP rejection there, huh?
Yeah, they keep doing it. Can they stop getting rewarded? They've been rewarded too much lately.
We got more downies in us. We're headed down.
Yeah. All right,
If they
20k. Come on.
They can just hold it up for like 8 minutes, 7
Oh, we're
minutes,
coming
and
down.
then
Look at the ES. Look at the ES.
And-
Super heavy.
Yeah,
go
DCD,
smack
when
the
I'm in
low.
combines, it's a little bit
Appreciate
different. Like I'm more a gambler on combines just because I want to get them over and done with. Once I get to XFA though, like I usually take it a lot slower. Because like you said, if you hit 1 or 2 big trades a month, they set you up. Like that's all you really need is 1 or 2 big trades. So the little paper cuts on an XFA aren't going to kill you. The only thing that stinks is inevitably when you get a fresh XFA, that first trade is going to be a loser. Always.
Curse me like
always
that.
happens that way.
I actually, the first trade was a winner, and then
Oh.
what did I try and buy? Oh, I tried to buy this 80-70 level on that huge dump down.
Today?
Well, no, when we went down, for some reason there was missiles flying over Tel Aviv, and I thought it was a good idea to try and catch the knife.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For some reason, he said.
You get hosed.
For some
Yeah,
reason.
for some reason.
Yeah, for some reason it's crazy.
Yeah.
No one knows why, but for some reason.
Yeah. I didn't want to short the hole. We were already down like 300 points. I was like, this is going to hold. Didn't hold. And then when I finally caught the bottom and it ran for 150 points, I wanted more out of it, and it ran back to break even.
Oh boy.
I still ended up positive on the day, though. That's what's important.
Nice. And that was all in an XFA?
Yes.
Damn, son.
Yeah, that was my first day of the XFA. We had to have missiles flying over Tel Aviv. It's like, it'd been so chill. Like my training had been like so calm and chill. Like, okay, the market
Next
being
time-
logical. Yeah.
Next time you start a fresh XFA, can you like shoot me a DM 5 minutes before?
Yeah.
Get short.
Too. What, and all the people of the Middle East, yeah, just letting you guys know. Starting XFA today. I want to stay inside. So have you got nothing left to trade now, Wes?
I mean, I could switch over to an XFA.
Okay.
I don't like where we're at now. I tried it once; it worked. I don't want to. I don't want to test my luck here. But we'll be able to see.
$1,000.
Palm's about looking like he's gonna get one here. I'm
Yeah,
sure
I'm
Dave will
liking
hop on
what's-
the same trade with him.
I'm
They're
They're going
just
to take
about
IBL
ready.
breakout.
I am
Yeah.
just about ready.
Oh, okay. The gun's coming out the holster.
I'm short at 65.
Providing this
I'm
doesn't
gonna
rip
really
down
front
and
run
create
this, so
IBL right at when it creates IBL, like at 10:30.
I'm short at 65. Break even
All right.
stop.
I like it. Oh,
One mini.
actually-
One mini.
the ES is really holding that level. It's really fighting to hold that 760 level.
Almost went in 2 minis. But I love what we're doing right now. One mini. Let's hold on to it. Now, is it just a sweep or is it a dive through it?
Looking at the ES, not sure. Coin flip.
I don't know. Lately, it seems like it's been doing the like 10 to 15 point sweep and then immediate recovery and reversal
Right.
off of IB.
Right.
So
Oh,
in
like
other
what it's
words,
doing here.
Dave, a
It's
Wiccan
gonna snap.
reclaim of IBL.
I
is what
think so. No, I agree. I agree with what you're saying. But we're going to pump this down here. I'll tell you that.
I don't know. It's just so sketchy with it right around 20K.
Come on, push down through it.
Martin,
I'm
you
almost ready to
DLL'd
just
your
take my profit
combine, so
now.
you're trading your live.
You know what I'm going to do?
It's easy to DLL on days. It depends on obviously your account size, but the 50Ks are hard to trade in highly volatile market conditions.
Yeah, I took 5 micros off, so I got 5 micros still running.
You're short. Let's go.
I short 65.
Nice.
I got
Take
5
that.
micros still running.
Take your 20
Almost wanna
points,
get out of
Dave.
this.
Take your 20 points.
That's gonna
Take
pop
your
it.
20
Just
points.
take your 20
It's gotta
points.
pop it.
Take
It's
your
gotta
20
pop it.
points. Oh
This is a
no.
bad failure
You're gonna
for me.
lose 20 points. You had 20
I'm
points,
taking
Dave.
it all. Oh my God, Nims, come on now.
I mean, I know. I mean, it doesn't look great at the moment, but I'd be looking for 20k personally.
It's looking pretty
Yeah,
interesting.
I'm
Yeah.
definitely looking for 20,
But-
and I break even. I've already taken 5 off. So
Yeah, but if it runs back on you, just let you know.
I'll just get back in.
No, someone will be saying
Big
some
brain
words.
fella. This is looking pretty
Martin,
interesting.
1K
Hanging around
drawdown
here.
is just not. If you're trading minis, it's hard to do.
Yeah,
With 1K
I found that
drawdown.
out. I found that out yesterday. Although that I did, to be
Yeah,
fair, that was nothing with the drawdown. That was just me being in a
Paul,
rush
I
to
think
get out of the
this
house.
might do you dirty here.
Yeah,
I'm still in.
2
though.
minutes.
Come on, minute left. Let's go. Push it.
Just hold above it for him. Like, come on.
Yeah,
hold
yeah,
above
and then pump it down. Yeah.
Yeah, clean
Yeah.
breakthrough sweep.
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah.
October's been a rough month for the strat so far. I'm not gonna lie, it's an outlier already. 3 back-to-back stops is kind of crazy. It hasn't happened.
1
yet.
minute to go.
Until now.
Let's
Yeah,
sweep up to 6. Let's sweep up to 65 quickly, and then we can.
No,
come,
no, I
come
don't need
up.
that. That's my entry.
Yeah, wait. Whoa, don't
Come on
curse him.
now,
Stop
Don't
it.
Nimkins.
All right, my
glad I
order's
took-
in.
I'm glad I took 5 off. I'll say that.
See
But
what happens.
no, this is
We
dirty.
shall see. As long as it doesn't execute before 10:30, I'm fine with that. And it looks like we're good.
We're good.
All right, now we wait.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Oh yeah,
Come on, come on,
Puke
come
it.
on.
they're sellers. Do it.
Do it. Do it.
You got a limit order on, Palm?
Stop sell. Yeah,
Okay.
sell stop.
Yep.
How many points are you looking for?
All of them.
All the points.
Right.
All of them.
He's
Hey,
looking
just give
for
it a
the
minute.
market to completely collapse today.
Yeah, just give
No,
it a minute. We'll take
realistically,
Dave out
like
quickly.
30 points probably is like for the combines for the evals because of the consistency rule. The most I can look for on this trade is like 30
What size are you trading?
for
Well,
NQ.
the sweep there makes like you'll probably get full target because I mean you got overnight lows all the way down at 941. So
Don't
if
say
you're
that.
short from like what 20,015, I guess is where you're probably at.
It's my orders at 20,014 quarter. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, we've broken
Still
that
in.
level on the ES, so
Yeah, the ES is going down, so this is
yeah.
what NQ is gonna
You
follow.
should be good. The only
Everyone's
problem is-
saying you should be good. You'll get
Wait.
the break. It makes me think I'm not going to get any.
Wait,
I'm going to get a stop with slippage.
Pump.
There it goes.
I'm saying if you want to get 15 points out of it to yesterday's close, you should be
comes.
good for
It's
that.
coming.
I don't know about the
It's coming.
30.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
this
just
is
operating
dirty
right there
here.
around 20K is
Yeah, it's held up
Scary.
all day there as well.
That's dirty.
Everyone-
What it just did.
So if you wanna take this-
good.
Oh, I'm
That's
still
nice.
in.
Phil
yeah,
is
the fact that it's
coming.
getting that close to you, Palm.
Sellers are trying.
DCD
Sorry,
says
go
go for 100 points.
I mean,
For real.
Bookmap
Dude,
over
if I-
here is actually showing like a lot of buy limits.
That's exciting.
Not,
Good
they're
down.
not making any ground.
Who knows?
Yeah,
Maybe
ES
we won't trade through IBL. Maybe we run it all back and go trade. What is this?
Well, ES hit its
20,240.
target. Up. NQ's
Yeah.
gotta come back.
Yikes! And you would
I
have to. So with your strat, you would be waiting till all the way up there to have an entry.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't get it. It'd probably happen after I have to leave, if that was the case.
Oh, that's right. You got to go to work.
I do.
Yeah, this is
Oh,
nasty on the NQ that it bounced.
Dave,
here.
you got a round scheduled for this afternoon?
I do.
Nice.
And- and-
That's awesome.
Bill's scheduled in at 65 right now, Dave.
This is dirty.
The Wickham reclaim on the ES was a bit.
Yeah.
Looks
man,
like I
it's
kind of want to
gonna
take a long
me
on
out.
the ES.
Hasn't taken me out yet. Let's go. Well, I had a chance to really.
Yeah.
Well, I took
Yeah,
5 off, so I'm happy.
Nice.
I'm still in it, but
Should have taken 20 points, Dave.
well, I took on the 5 I took off. I took 32 points.
Nice.
I'm just letting this other 5 run. I probably should have taken another 3 off down there, and I'm out. Okay, well, that's okay. That was a 30.
It was a good attempt. It was a gnarly
Yeah.
hold up above IBL.
Yeah, that is
was-
nasty.
That was brutal. That should have never happened.
The sellers are trying again now.
Lambert's telling you to
Yeah.
call in
Yes, they
sick,
are.
Palm. Lambert's telling you to call in sick. So is DCD.
What's this volatility picking up? Is something happening?
The Fed speakers? Question mark.
Uh,
Wait, what did Lambert say? Call in sick.
Yeah, it's coming back down. I think. I hope. Three seconds left on this candle. You can do it. Make the strategy pay. I figure I was in at 65, put a break even stop, and that wick goes up to 67. That's just the way it works. It's so dirty.
Nimkins told you Phil was coming for you.
Yeah, he was. He was coming.
He also told you
That's
to take
so
your 20 points.
Well,
That's
I took
correct.
30 out of that. I ended up taking the 30 out of that.
all right.
So- oh, that was
what was-
I
Dave,
would
what
like
was your
to-
original size?
I went in 1
10
minute.
micros?
10 micros. I went in
10 micros, okay.
Yeah.
I like that a lot. That's a nice size.
and then took 5 off.
Nice.
That's dirty that it doesn't take that. Wow.
Yep.
Palmetto, Ben's got some questions
Okay.
for you in the chat.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I don't have the stream up, sorry. So if anyone is asking for me. Let's see. What's Palm Strat? Bad influences. So it's just it's the IB breakout. So, and I can't share my screen, unfortunately, otherwise I'd show you. But essentially just waiting until IB is set and then looking for the first break. So in this case, it's more likely to break IBL, although it hasn't happened yet, so we'll see. So I have a sell stop order at IBL, which is just an order that is, once it taps the price, it's going to become a market order, and then I will get filled short to market short through the break of IBL. I have a 3 3/4 stop and a 3 3/4 auto break even, and then first 2 targets are 10 points plus 2 ticks for commission. Second target is 30 points plus 2 ticks, and then third target is 50 points plus 2 ticks. That's it. That is quite literally it. You just wait, be patient, force yourself not to FOMO into anything stupid, and then take the break. I hope that helped. Did I lose you guys?
Nope, you're good.
No, I'm
No,
still
wait,
in.
that was
Okay.
perfect.
I'm just waiting
no,
for a
that was
response
perfect.
from Ben to see if he understood all that. There he goes.
Okay, gotcha.
Did I lose all you guys? Just there
Yeah,
was
it's just-
deafening
it's
silence.
just
Dead silent.
Yeah, when you're live streaming, there's always especially trading, because there's not always something to talk about.
Yeah.
There's those periods of like awkward, where we're just staring at sideways chart action.
Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to
tried
mention
short again at
I'm.
53.
Let's go.
2 minis.
2
Ooh,
minis.
Jesus.
I'm gonna get out
Holy.
5 here.
Holy banana.
Wait, Dave, you're 2 minis short?
Yeah, I'm taking 5 off, and I'm going to take another 5 off here coming up.
This
5
guy
minis
is
off?
just straight
break even.
slinging. He's got the guns drawn. He's at the
gonna
OK
take me out
Corral
break even.
today.
Nope. I
That's
tried.
fine. Break
It's-
evens are fine. We take
Yeah,
those.
I'm break even on it. That's fine.
It's okay.
Give it a shot. Should have probably did a little better with it, but that's okay.
Did you wait? You said you got 5 off though.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I
so
got
Dave,
it's
are
five
you
off
on
there.
Combine?
Yeah, yes, I am.
Okay. Okay.
This morning
okay.
I am,
Okay. I was like, is
No,
he
I'm on
trading a
Combine
funded
this morning.
account?
I still like us breaking IBL. I really do.
Same.
I just don't know when we do it.
DCD says, let me hold a slight hundo.
Real.
Grim.
Tenor, the daily candle looks super bare right now. Let's see what the daily's printing.
We're breaking IBL at some point. It's just when, not if.
Yeah, we got the daily 20 down at 767. Daily 20 SMA.
Gonna mess around down here and then blow down through.
Palmetto, look at the daily chart on the NQ and tell me if it's a if
You
it's
have it on your stream.
looking like a Wieland or a Wesley, as you guys would call it.
I think if we hold above whatever that prior high is, like 20K ish, so kind of the area we're in, then it's looking
Yeah,
like a
right
Wesley.
here.
If we start accepting back below that, it's a wrap.
Honestly, if we hold this area, if it does not come below this area, we probably see all-time highs next week.
Yeah,
I agree.
I
with
agree.
What
that.
I'm seeing on
I
the
agree.
higher time frame.
I
On
agree.
the NAS, I know the ES did print all-time highs when the NAS didn't.
We're like, I'm not a pattern trader by any means, but we're kind of flagging out here, although we're kind of ripping right now.
Yeah.
But we're still sub like 2070.
Yeah, I'm not a
And-
pattern trader either. I have never been like a chart pattern trader.
Okay.
All right, keep going.
I say that,
I'm
but we
long
just rip.
60.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Tell us now.
Yeah, I've been.
Been hiding it.
I love it.
I need to like go take a walk or something. I feel so stiff.
It says the 20-year-old kid, the 21-year-old kid.
Bro, 23.
You're 23, Palm?
Yeah, I had some guy at work come in the other day though, and he fully thought I was 17. I was like, "Are you kidding me?"
What the hell?
All right, well,
All right, I'm out. I just took
looking
30
like
points.
Nice job.
Good job.
I'll tell you my exactly. Sorry, I wasn't talking, guys. I was like concentrating.
Total concentration.
It's all right.
I'll
Nims.
tell you
We hear-
why.
we
I'll
hear
tell
your
you.
voice enough.
Yeah, you know the issue was I took the trade, going, oh, I'm just chilling on 1 micro on my combine, and realized it was my XFA account. So then I started panicking.
God,
As it was
you
going
went
down, I
over
was
it.
like, oh
What are
god,
you
no.
Woo!
I took
Sweat a little
57.50, and my exit, I actually got the top tick exit at 90.25.
Nice.
Nice. Very nice.
On the ES?
No, on the NQ.
Oh, I thought you said
Oh, on the
57.50.
yen.
Yeah, that's a.
Oh, sorry, 57.50.
I was like 57.50. You just bottom ticked the ES, it looks like. Did that even get to 57.50? Yeah, it did. Well, good trade, Nims. I'm gonna pat you on the
Thanks.
back before you cry about me not patting you on the back. So
Yeah,
no kidding.
$1,500 day again today. No flame emoji.
You-
Flame
you
No
really
flame
could
emoji.
take
flame
some-
Flame
emojis all over the
emoji.
place
No
for
flame
Nimpkins. Flame
Not
emojis
enough
all
for
over
Wesley.
the place for Nimpkins.
Not
that's
enough
so
for
good.
Wesley.
That is so good.
That's actually how I pay my bills. I don't pay in money.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Flame
play them in
emoji.
emojis.
Flame emoji.
Yeah.
Yeah, and flame
Flame emojis.
emojis.
So funny. Look at this.
I collected
Oh,
42 flame emojis. Here you go. Man, we're just in the middle of nothing
I
right now.
know.
This
Yeah,
is
we are.
unfortunate.
Mm.
It's a 100-point range, 120 to 020.
Someone just rang my doorbell. I'll be right back, guys.
I hope he makes it back. I hope it wasn't a.
right.
I don't know.
Yeah.
You never know.
So do VWAP sellers get rewarded again, Nims?
I don't think so. I think we might.
I don't see structure telling us to run this. Just don't see that.
Where's VWAP right now?
Oh, to almost
100.
yeah, 100.
100. Okay. So below that prior swing high. I see. I've been experimenting with just like the level to level kind of scalps, I guess you can call it, on micros just for fun. Not really for fun, just because it's, I don't know, interesting. So I have like a little zone there marked out from, is this 121 down to 106?
Yep.
Okay.
So if we break that zone and retest it, I'm looking for a long. Again, micros though. I'm not about to throw size at this.
Door-to-door sales guys drive me nuts.
Oh my gosh.
I was gonna ask. I thought it might have been like a political person, like trying to get you to vote for someone.
Well, I live in one of those neighborhoods where there's no soliciting, so every time they come, I tell them like, you might want to not go door to door in here, just to give you a heads up.
We're gonna take your kneecaps.
Right.
Well, they come around like it was a pest control guy trying to get me to switch companies this time, and they come around on these like electric like scooters. Is the way they ride around. You know.
Nice. Yeah.
That's awesome.
What pests do you have?
What pests? We have bugs.
Yeah, what kind of bugs? Okay, I'm from the UK. We
house-
don't normally have this.
Right behind my house is forest.
Yeah, but what kind of bugs? Can we be
Spiders.
descriptive of
mosquitoes,
this?
beetles,
Spiders.
spiders.
You have
Caterpillars.
spider infestations.
Like I said, my house backs up to the forest, brother.
Yeah, Right.
We've got
Just
deer,
as an English
we've got
person-
raccoons, we've got fox.
So wait, you
we've got...
so you have wait, so you have the pest guy for deer? Just get DJP if you've got deer problems.
Right, exactly.
I don't kill the deer. I let the deer do their thing. They don't bother me.
Okay.
Well,
But
forest dogs.
you mentioned deer in pests.
I'm just saying the things we have around here. What do you mean pests? There's roaches. There's yeah. DCD, call the cops on them. I'll call the cops on them.
Jesus.
Phil, you've got scorpions. What do you live in the desert?
What is this?
Do you seriously not have bugs in the UK? There's no way.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
do.
no
I
way.
mean, you don't get infestations.
Okay, so you have less bugs.
Less bugs.
I don't have like an infestation of bugs in my house, but that's because I get my house treated quarterly.
Is that a thing? Do you have like
Yeah.
a pest control subscription?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I said that as a
I-
joke.
I don't-
You actually do.
Yeah, I think this is a real thing.
Yes. It's not like you
I don't
see
have, like,
bugs
a
and you call the guy. You sign up with a company and you pay like either annually or quarterly, and they come out once every month or so and spray.
So there was a guy trying to like basically make you like renew like your Netflix subscription of bugs
Yeah,
pest control.
pretty much.
Yeah, a bug away.
Have you tried our platform? And what do they offer? Do they offer better like bug spraying?
short
They
What
have,
was
they
he trying
have
to sell
different
you?
level. They have different levels
You're short
of
80?
bug control.
Yeah.
For sure.
Cool. 2 minis again?
No, just one.
What made you go up to 2 on the other one?
Yeah.
I felt strong. I felt strong that it was the time to break
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Dave
I got
just
break
slings,
even,
I'm
so-
telling you, it's either
Are
one
you
gun
down
out
on
the
the day?
holster or he's side saddled. He's got
Yeah.
guns on
took-
both sides.
I took 5 off there, and we'll let the
Nice.
so I got 10 points on the 5. So we'll
Yeah,
go
I
with this.
love that approach of like 10, 15 points, take some off. Very big
Yeah,
fan.
and it took me out break even, so I
But
got.
you still
I got
made
a little bit
money.
out of that.
There you go.
I
That's
still believe
literally
it's
the
down
whole
down
point of the
IPL.
first target is just to get paid for your risk.
I'm a firm believer that we're going to go down.
You know, I'm starting
Yeah,
to
as
be a
long as we're
believer
below
of,
that like
of
115.
trades by Matt's little strat of going for 10 points, because it seems like 10 points is actually relatively easy to get. It's when you're
Yeah.
targeting 50 to 100 points where sometimes you run into trouble. So maybe you're right. Maybe you just need to put more risk on, take some off at the 10 points, and like you said, let the rest run.
Yeah, I feel like 10 points, at least on the NQ in most conditions, like as long as you have a good entry, 10 points is generally high probability.
Yeah, and I like to try to. You can get 20 too. I mean, 20 is not a problem. So you just got to be.
That's
fast.
why my first target for the ID break goes off at 10. And the amount of times in backtesting that I've seen it break by 10, fill me out on the first target, and then reverse is enough to make me a believer that that is a very good part of the process. I mean, the
this
stats
is
say it too.
kind of
Nim,
like
you're
what it's
awfully
doing
quiet
here.
over there. What's going on? Are you in a trade?
Nothing. I'm just looking at stuff.
Okay.
I mean,
It's
no
just-
one finished the bug explanation.
It's just
for me.
very rare when you're quiet. So I would
No,
just
it's
look
just
at
analyzing.
everything's Okay.
No one finished the bug explanation for me.
He's just analyzing the whole Lions
have you had-
roster,
have you-
seeing who he's
Right.
going to put the money on.
No, Palm, don't put any ideas in his head.
I like these ideas. So, what infestations have you had in the past?
I've
It's
never
not
had
infestations.
infestations, but that's because I have
It's
tested.
preventative.
So for the frugal man is wasting money because he's never had an infestation. He's paying for a subscription he doesn't need.
If I didn't have the preventative measures that I have, I would have infestations.
Explaining pest control to someone not from the US was not on my bingo card this morning.
I know, it's so ridiculous.
What?
The tangents that we get off on.
No,
on
but
this
I
stream
mean,
are
like, as a British
absurd
person,
sometimes.
it's like, I mean, occasionally we have like pest control reality TV shows, but like,
It's reality TV there? What?
yeah, yeah.
That's awesome.
There's a pest control guy. He's got his own reality
so
TV
awesome.
show, and he goes out like clearing infestations. And most of the houses just look
So
like
good.
crack houses that he's like just going around to clean up.
Although we can't really talk. Over here we've got what, like Dr. Pimple Popper? That's a big show where it's like,
Yeah.
I like Dr. Pimple Pop Out. I'm a big fan, to be fair.
Yeah, DC. I got bit by a brown recluse once on my finger and didn't realize what was going on. And my finger swelled up that night. Wasn't sure. Wake up, go to work the next day wearing a long sleeve shirt, come home, and my wife works in the medical field. And I had these 2 red streaks running up. They got up to my armpit because I had blood.
oh,
She's like,
no,
you need to
thank
go right
you.
now.
Yeah, you
wow.
need to go to the hospital, my brother.
That was on your left arm?
Yeah, and they
Oh, that
when I got
sucks.
to, when
That's
I got
really
to the
sketchy.
ER, they were like, get in here.
Yeah.
There was no waiting around.
Yeah, those things will kill you.
Yeah. The blood poisoning.
Especially as I was
never
on your
had it
left
before.
side, it's closer to your heart.
Yeah, I never had that before, so I didn't realize what it was.
Nims, do you
And
guys
I
have
went over.
venomous spiders and venomous snakes?
No,
No, they live on an
we don't have
island.
any of this rubbish stuff.
I don't have rabies.
Yeah, I mean, there's rabies. Like, you can get rabies from foxes. We have lots of wild foxes.
Oh yeah.
We just barely slipped that prior high.
Ben's asking Nims, how old are you? Maybe it's an age thing.
Damn.
How old do you all think I am? You can put your answers in the chat, and then I
85.
will tell you.
85.
I wasn't
No, I'm
around the
kidding.
Great Depression with Dave, okay? I'll
I'm
tell you
kidding.
that. That's the first
you're-
clue.
I mean, I've been around longer than Dave. I'm 1,876 years old.
That is correct.
That's right. That is correct.
Ben's saying 26. DCD's saying 34.
I'd say 29.
Okay.
I know
Nims looks
the answer,
29.
so I won't respond.
All right. We got any more guesses before I do the final reveal? Closest answer gets to trade Wes's personal account for a day.
This
Oh, boy.
he is such a storyteller. I don't know why my
I
personal
love it.
and live accounts always come into the equation
Yeah,
here.
max size versus
I don't like
personal.
the direction this goes sometimes.
Back size.
No,
Real guess
guess
is
is
23.
Feeling pretty good.
23? Who the hell
DCD,
said
you're going the
23?
wrong way from your original guess.
All right. I'm 37.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow, I would never have guessed that. Bro, you do not look 37 at all.
Oh, thank you.
What's your secret?
Moisturizer.
Oh, I've got a secret.
Oh, wow, I'm like the youngest one in here by a lot then. I thought you were closer to my age.
No. Closer to the Great Depression than your age.
That's tough.
I'm short 109.
How many different vapes you got over there, Nim?
I've
I've
got
seen
two.
like
I've
3
got
different
two. I've got
objects
two.
go up to your mouth.
This is dual wielding.
I mean, does one have a funny substance and one have a different substance, or like what's going on?
No.
Freaky.
I quit the Devil's Lettuce.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this candle looks strong.
Yeah, sellers just tried to take Delta down to 0 and buyers held up.
Yep.
Kev says human blood
Interesting.
is the secret. Phil says no bugs is the secret.
Yeah,
Yeah, no
that's it.
bugs.
Yeah, you're not having to stress of pest control. Wesley
Yeah.
made it sound like he had a family of deer move into his house each quarter.
And DCD, I agree. The
funny.
double fishing vapes is crazy. Like, I've seen multiple objects go up to this guy's mouth and inhales coming. I don't know what's going on over
Full
here.
fisting vapes. No bugs. is
He's
the
just got a
secret, so I like
lineup of vapes sitting there.
That's correct. There's an apple and blackcurrant one. This one is a
man.
watermelon one.
Jeez, Palm, it really got that close to your entry and was like, nah, no trades for you today, guy.
it. Nasty. So
It
nasty.
happens. It's still before 11:30. Most of the breaks happen before 11:30. I will say, well, so since July 1st up until present day, there's only been 6 breaks that have been after 11:30. So the vast majority are before, but like 3 of those breaks that come after 11:30 have been very recent, like within the last 2 weeks. So I feel like there might be some sort of market shift happening in terms of like condition, which is very unfortunate, but we ball.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
we all have to adapt as traders, so.
But yeah, they've been unfortunately coming later and later. Like the one that was at 2 the other day, it was that, I don't know when that was, but like that was the latest one I've ever seen. That was wild.
Phil says, Nim, you aren't supposed to hold it in. Quick in and out.
What is this?
That's
My
funny.
vaping
That's
technique?
funny.
You're getting critiqued on how you rip the
Yeah,
vape, apparently.
Feel attacked.
I feel attacked.
I just don't like we're right at VWAP. I just don't like what Price is doing here.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
not good.
especially on a Friday. Like I just
You get pest control subscription to eliminate price action like this at VWAP.
yeah,
So,
I have an HVAC
hypothetically-
HVAC guy subscription as well.
Oh, wait, what? What's an HVAC?
oh no!
Heating and
Oh
plumbing.
no!
Oh, okay, yeah, I have one of those. All right, that's
Thank
more
God.
standard. That's more standard.
Pest control standard too.
Yeah, I
standard.
agree.
It's not.
It's
Help
not.
me
It's
out
not
here.
standard.
Dave,
Crazy
you got pest
thing.
control as well?
Like he doesn't want.
I do.
Like,
Yeah,
he doesn't
see,
want.
Nim, you're the only oddball here.
No, no. He doesn't want to buy a graphics card because he says he won't use it, but he uses pest control subscription and he never
Yeah,
has
bro.
pests.
I don't want to live with. Yeah, because he has pest. Oh my god.
I know, it's absurd. Help me out here, guys. It's absolutely
God.
absurd.
So I could get a pest control subscription, but I've never had pests. And then I could be standing here and just saying, oh, well, you know, I've never had pests because I have my pest control subscription.
No, you
But
know
it's not
what's
true.
even more absurd is when the Brits cry all summer long about how hot it is, but yet
AC.
central
Yeah.
air is
Bingo.
not standard.
Bingo.
Yeah.
Why would you get something for like which you can only use on 2 days, like every decade?
Yeah, but those
A
2
decade,
days you
dude,
guys
it's
make the
every
worst for the
summer.
rest of the world because we hear nothing
Yeah.
but crying and complaining about how hot it is outside.
Yeah.
DCD says, no, I'm wrong. Live in harmony with the bugs.
Yeah. I'll pass.
Mason, we have
I
humidity
call
over
you.
here. Go ahead and just get central air. Like, make it easier on yourselves.
Mason, do you agree with me that his pest control subscription might be a waste of money? Have you tried not having it?
I like how you're alone in this, Nims, because the other
No,
two
no, no,
here
no.
both have pest control subscriptions.
Yeah. No. But have you tried not having it?
Yes, and bugs come around. Lots of them.
What kind of bugs?
All kinds of
deer.
bugs. Centipedes, spiders.
The deer.
All kinds of bugs.
Okay.
Buyers are really trying here.
Boy, they're trying hard, aren't they?
Yeah. The 1600 delta from the move that started at 20,100 to right now, and counting 1800.
Yeah, thanks, Ben. Yeah, it's like $30 a month. He isn't getting a GPU. With
He's
that
getting ripped off. Okay, so we now know how much he's getting ripped off. Thank you, Ben.
much. What? Does Jack say he's up 5,600 on IB?
Amazing.
I don't know.
Wow. Must have had some size on.
You hear that, DJ
Like
P?
now, if we get a retest into the like 121 area, I would be kind of interested in a long on micros preface, but I would
Yeah,
kind of
I
be
mean-
interested in a long.
We'll see what happens here at like 150. Maybe up to 160 and come back down.
I just don't really know where my stop would be. That's the only unfortunate part. It'd have to be like below 100, which is kind of large.
Yeah, Jack, you had to be trading really, really well. Either that or you caught the dump. You caught that drop on the open. That's good trading. I'm definitely not up 5,600 today. I can tell you that. I am up 1,500.
Let me open this chat and see this. It's $30 a month. He isn't getting a GPU with that money. He could do. He probably would have one now with all the years he's been spending on it.
Jeez, why are you so overly concerned with the graphics card?
I'm over concerned with your spending currently. It wasn't brought
The
to my
only thing
attention
that,
that you were wasting money like this.
The only thing that a good graphics card will do will give me the multi-port function. So like I'll
That
be able
sounds
to
good.
hook up more monitors.
That sounds like something you
But
need.
I don't need anything.
Don't you
more
already
than-
have like 4?
Yeah,
yeah, currently I have 4 monitors.
yeah. Yeah, I see. Yeah, in your intro picture, you've got 4 monitors.
Yeah, I've got 4 monitors right now.
Yeah, and I'm glad you clarified your height thing because
Yeah.
I was like,
Again.
I'm 6 feet tall.
Yeah. Well, things weren't adding up because you said you played quarterback, and I was like, I'm pretty sure quarterbacks aren't 5'5".
Some of them are, but they don't get to
Are they?
college level.
You played quarterback in college?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
he
sick.
called Goff. He called Goff up on Monday evening, just before the game,
Oh, yeah.
gave him some tips.
Yeah, gave him a little
I've been,
heads up.
I've been asking him to do this for weeks. He finally did it.
No, I'm like 6 foot 185 is what I weigh. 185 pounds.
Okay.
We aren't going to say stones or kilo or
185 stone. You wear it well, Wesley.
I don't even know what that would be in stone. What is stone? Like, is it like 20 pounds? 16
13
pounds?
pounds. 13 pounds is a stone.
13 pounds is a stone?
Yeah.
Is this some sort of like British measurement? I'm not familiar
Yeah,
with.
they.
Yeah, it is. I'll agree.
When I
I'll
first
agree.
heard it, I
It is
thought,
a
Palm, I
useless
was like,
measurement.
stones are different sizes. Like, how are they measuring a stone as
I know.
an accurate weight measurement?
I will
Standardized
agree.
stone.
It's completely ridiculous that someone found a stone one day and was like, "This will be the stone we use for weight."
Yeah, it is absurd.
It's so good.
I want a long right here, but I know it's a bad idea.
Yeah, I wouldn't long here.
I would wait for. Let's see if it comes back and tests VWAP again.
Like sellers are trying, but we're just going straight sideways, which makes me think we don't actually sell. Watch us now
Ben,
sell.
I agree. I don't need a cheap GPU, but I do need something that has enough HDMI slots for monitors. I don't play games or anything. The only thing I do with my PCs
You
is
could play
trade and
games.
stream.
Why don't you want to play games with me and Mason?
Can pick it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, I'm good. Even as a kid, I wasn't like a big video game guy. I wasn't a console guy.
What do you do in your free time?
I go work out. I go outside. I go do things around the house. When you own a home, it's a little bit different.
Yeah, yeah.
No,
like,
it's
there's
not. It's
always
not.
something
You don't
to
have to.
do
You don't
in
have to
the
do
house.
things around the house. You get a girlfriend
Boy,
who then
I don't know
complains
if
that you
this
haven't
gets
done
all
things
that.
around the house. That's how it works.
Oddly specific.
I know. Sounds like
Yeah, oddly
Nims
specific.
might be in some trouble on a day to
Not
basis.
today. Not today. Not today. Not today. No, not yet.
Wes, I bet you wish they had NIL when you played.
Yeah. The rules were a little different.
Wait, what are these rules?
I never. Okay, when we say I played quarterback in college, I never played. Like I was a tackling dummy for the starting defense.
You said I played quarterback in college to me.
Well, technically, yes.
How else? How else
But
am
I
I
never
gonna take
saw
it?
any. I never saw any game time, and I separated.
Tony.
I
You're a
separated my
bench
right
warmer.
shoulder, and then I got healthy. And 2 weeks
Oh.
later, I separated my left shoulder, and I was like, "Yeah, I'm done with this. I'm not going to
That's
destroy
fair.
my body."
Yeah.
That's fair.
And like I probably had, I don't know, 20 to 30 concussions in the time I played football. So you
Jeez.
worry about brain damage and other things.
Okay.
Like you just,
Jeez.
you know,
That's
you got
scary.
to know when your body's telling
Yeah.
you it's time to quit, you quit.
Yeah, it's fair.
Right. That makes sense. And now I'll understand why the stream setup goes a bit slow after the concussions.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I want a
Mason's
short
saying-
now.
Mason's saying he told me Lethal Company would be great fun.
Yeah, Lethal Company was. This is what we were saying. Lethal Company is good fun.
I'm
You
just
don't
not
need even a good
gamer.
graphics card for that.
I have.
Right. It's a fun game with the boy. It's more of a social game than like a game. I'm selling it.
A few more
How would
minutes
that
of pest
exceed my
infestation talk, and we will
quality?
be going towards brain damage. Yeah, Phoenix. I mean,
Too funny.
I'm so confused. Do I have? Oh, it's because I have this order on still. Duh. It wouldn't let me. I wanted to sell right there. I wanted to sell like 52, 54, and it wouldn't let me because it kept saying order like quantity exceeded, and I completely forgot I still had my IBL order on.
Oh,
Oh,
you're a long
you
way from
trade
there.
Top Step. Yeah, they only let you put on
Yeah.
a certain amount of contracts.
Yeah. Which I would have probably gotten break even, so it saved myself the break even.
I'm
I will
thinking
say
about long
this:
from
having
here.
IBL and IBH and overnight highs and
Oh, here
lows
we go.
on my charts now is. I'm just hoping it doesn't like mess with me, you know, because I have my levels as
Yeah.
well, my support and resistance going on
That's
there
true.
too, and like.
Yeah. Well, can I ask why did you put them on? Like, what's the reasoning?
Yeah. Why, Wesley? Why?
Just so that the viewers can track it for the most part. Like yesterday, I actually did use it, but I have obviously IBH and IBL set to the first hour, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. Eastern, and then the overnight starts at 6 p.m. Eastern and closes at 9:29 and 59 seconds for me. Is the timing that I have on it.
Okay.
Have you asked your viewers what they would like? Because viewers,
I just want it to be able to be seen as reference as well.
Okay.
You know, like when we're talking about strategies and stuff like that, it's nice for the people that are watching the stream to be able to be like, oh, I can see it on the charts, especially when I'm not able to show your guys' charts.
I'm
Yeah,
short
yeah.
51.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
I agree. I just nice short. I just hope it doesn't mess with you is all.
We'll see.
Break even, and they come up and get me.
Guys, would you like to have Nim's golden level on the charts on the stream?
I'll be. No, we will not be doing that. I did it once.
Yeah, but you said it's for the viewers. Okay, I'm just asking the viewers here what they think. Okay. What if they all said yes? What if they all said yes?
Careful what you wish for, viewers. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah, yeah. Be very careful. Be very careful what you say here.
I am viewers.
No,
Yeah, Paul,
I see that.
Oh my god!
After me rescuing
That
you
is
this
so good.
morning with the phone call, this is what I get.
Sorry.
Okay, here comes a short. Keep playing.
Wow, we just cracked over 100
Didn't
views
like that.
during the live stream, guys. That's
not like
pretty
that.
big for me.
Let's go.
Why can't I
Pretty
cancel this
pretty big for the
order?
stream.
Oh, I was this tells me we're long.
Yeah, I kind of like the long from here, like going all the way back up to the
Yep.
220 level.
I'm breaking
Well,
even.
you want to
so
see
we'll
a
see what
holding above
happens.
150 before you would
Yeah.
execute.
Yeah, I agree.
Like when Palmetto talks about volume distribution, that's what he's talking
Can I
about.
audio paint it? But I'm not always on stream, and like a lot of times when I haven't been on stream, that level's paid for 150 points. Next time it retested, paid for 240 points.
What level?
Oh, I'm glad you asked.
No. Man.
Paul.
Oh my god!
I got suckered into it.
You did.
Yeah.
Oh.
So the level is 19k 850 to 830, especially around that 840 level. That pays.
I'm short in 41 quarter.
Ooh,
Okay.
that's a lot of faith short right there. I like it.
It just looks like sellers are trying, and we're holding it below some of that volume now. My break even already kicked in, so I mean, odds are if this doesn't go right now, I get break even, which is fine.
Yeah, and I'm at break even, obviously.
I got break even. I think that was worth a shot, though. I think it's
totally worth a shot.
Still worth a shot. Like we're still just holding below that like 45 area. The 45 into 21 half ish makes sense. I wonder what my commissions are going to be on this, because this doesn't factor in commission.
Yeah, Phoenix. I'm glad you asked. I know.
So funny.
So is there anything else that I need to know about American culture, like the pest control subscription, which would be normal for me? I know the air conditioning thing, but you all have air conditioning.
Well, Nims, I mean, we won a major battle in 1776 that says that we don't have to answer that question.
What the Brits versus Brits?
Brits
We won the right to not answer that question.
Fritz versus Brit. If it's going to reverse, it's going to do it here. 60 was the high is the high water mark if it's going to come down to IBL.
You think we're going to come all the way down to IBL?
I think it's dying to come down.
Yeah, Ben. Our cookies are actually cookies. I agree.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What's wrong with our cookies?
Our chips are actually
Crisps
chips.
are actually chips. Yep.
Oh no. Chips are what you call potato fries.
We really like seasoning and salt over here. We like flavor on our food.
I feel attacked. All right.
All right. Well, the trade's playing out. I'm just not in
It's
it.
playing out. I'm still in it. From
Nice.
51.
Let's go. When do you go break even, Dave? How many points? Or is it structure
If it
based?
gets, it all depends on the price action, but
Okay.
if it looks like it's pretty solid going down, within about 10 points, I'll go break even. Sometimes 5, all depends.
Gotcha. Yeah, because I'm using my my breakout bracket, so it's extremely tight.
Mm.
So I probably have to
Okay,
loosen
that'd be
that up.
tight. Yeah.
Do you guys know about?
It
My
did play
default
out.
is
Pretty cool.
on a mini. My default is 20 points. The brackets set themselves, and then I move them around.
Gotcha.
Oh, look at this! If it blows through,
Nice.
oh my goodness! Tricky part here. Tricky here.
Do you guys know about the
I'm
great
already,
fan
like,
shortage?
mentally- What's up?
Do you know about the fan shortage that we have like once a year in the
Yeah.
UK because we don't have
Yeah,
air
because no
conditioning?
one has AC. Yeah.
Yeah. And the panic buying of fans, the fans sold out everywhere. And then people trying to sell you a terrible fan, like a tiny desktop one for like £80.
Jesus.
I used to, back in the late 90s, I worked for a consumer products company, and that's what we made: fans, heaters, humidifiers, air cleaners. And we used to love UK summers.
Just take
Then they
advantage
try to
of them.
then they try to return them. Then we called them summer rentals because they try to return them.
Yeah. We don't need them all the time.
It's like it's a 10-pound fan. What? It's 5 pounds, 10 pounds. What are you talking
No.
about?
We don't need that. All right.
There we
We
go.
don't like to
Now,
waste money on useless things like pest subscription.
I'm still in this. I think IBL is coming. I think so. Let's see. I think that was the high water mark
Man.
at 59.
I'm looking for a attempt to trade back above like 1250 ish that fails to get short. I think that'd be interesting.
Okay,
I
I'm
don't think
still
I'm
in
gonna
this
get it
thing.
though. Nice trade.
I only did one
50.
micro because I
Good
wasn't
trade.
sure of it.
Oh,
So that's too bad.
Oh.
I only did a micro.
you went
but
from
Yeah, I thought
We
we were
went
two
from-
minis.
2 NQ to 1 NQ to 1 micro.
Yeah.
I wasn't
Yeah,
solid
I know,
on
it's
it.
wild.
But here's
It's
what I'm going to
wild.
tell you. At some point, I'm going to re-enter with a mini here.
What do you mean?
We'll do
What do you
that.
Why
mean
not
at a
just-
worse price?
Why not just make it 5 at that point?
Oh, no.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, on combine,
Is I-
sometimes I get a little frisky,
Frisky.
I guess,
Dicey.
but
IBL's going to get run here.
Get a little dicey.
IBL's gonna get run here. Says we're 100
Says the
points
you
away from
talking?
IBL.
You talking to the VWAP buyers
I
here?
was like, wait, what are we talking about here?
Yeah. I see
100
VWAP
points
buying.
away from IBL. IBL is gonna get run here.
Yeah.
Well,
Any second
okay.
now.
Tom's disowning me right now.
Palm's dealing with text messages. It looks like.
No, I'm reading the chat.
Oh,
right.
okay.
Be weird, sling 10 mini.
Apex has
DCT.
nightmares about Dave.
Don't be weird. Sling a 10 mini.
Is Apex
here's my-
back?
Here's my pyramid point.
DCD
Here we
saying,
go.
"Don't be weird. Sling a 10 mini. Why not?"
Oh shoot! This is key here, obviously. VWAP.
Quite like the long from this certain level. Oh, it's too late.
All right, maybe I get out.
I just don't like anything right here.
Oh, it's ugly.
Yeah, I don't like anything around VWAP. What's up, Lucky Bubs? Welcome. You're new to trading?
I don't. Well, Don't watch me. That's
Yeah,
number
you got
one.
you got any advice for Lucky Bubs, fellas?
That's number one.
Yeah.
Watch
They're
everybody
allowed
else.
to be on the
but me.
charts.
I like that buy up.
Pretty strong.
Yeah.
You take your 20 points, Dave.
But don't say
Yeah,
anything.
Phil,
else.
I
I'm gonna
agree.
run-
Yeah, Lucky Bubs. I would say best advice any of us can give you is to start out trading simulated if you're new to trading.
Yeah.
Oh,
DCD
you're
says
playing with $500 on Robinhood?
10 minis. 10 minis it is.
Start small. Is the best recommendation I can make. Start small.
10 minis and then
Take it
scale
slow.
up to 100.
I took a short at 20 half, and it looks like I'm gonna get stopped out probably.
And TCT
that's
says
disgusting.
best trading strat is crayon lines. Is all he's saying.
Oh yeah,
Wait, what'd you get into, Palm?
I'm short 4 micros from 20 half.
Okay.
I think I get stopped out honestly. I'm kind. It's early. It's definitely an earlier short than I should have taken.
Yeah, this buy up was pretty decent.
Yeah, just trade a sim account while you learn.
Yeah, I would say that.
And coming and watching the stream each day will
You don't
help a
even
lot.
know that language? Yeah.
Oh yeah, like somebody like a Upstep or somebody like that get a $49.
Someone give him the
Yeah,
Discord
Lucky
link.
Bubs, if you don't know what we're talking about, like trading vocabulary wise, that lots of YouTube
Why are those
videos
so
would be my
confusing?
recommendation.
Oh, damn! I missed my fill by a tick. That's tragic.
It all
I'm
depends
gonna
on
say
what
to all
type
the
of trader you
doubters,
want to be as well. Like, do you want to be somebody that gets into a trade and holds forever, more like an investor? Or do you want to do what we're doing and have guns drawn and be in and out of positions in seconds?
I got my first target. Surprised it's
Nice.
working, honestly.
Good
I'm
trade.
still in this. I'm still in this. I'm
Should
thinking
take you
about
20
adding.
points,
go.
Dave. Look at
Dave
you
and I are
now.
holding for 0.
Look at you
right.
now, Dave. You're up 50 points and you could have had
I'm
20.
up 50 points on this puppy. I'm about to
Yeah.
add.
Could have taken the 20.
Dave and
You
I
can
are
take it to
holding
As
20.
long
for
as you
0.
don't put beans on your potatoes like them Brits, it's good to be. a
Wait!
potato.
Whoa.
I love
Alright.
it.
There's been lines that have been crossed here. Okay.
What's the other thing that you guys eat? Beans and toast? Is that what it is?
Yeah, baked beans and
heard that's-
toast. Yeah, baked beans and
I've heard that's
toast.
not bad.
It's
If you
good.
season the beans, which they
I mean,
probably don't, but if you
Well,
season
no,
the
I
beans,
mean you have Heinz. It's like Heinz ketchup. You have Heinz baked beans, which is just the standard.
yeah, I have like 7 of those in my pantry.
Okay, yeah. You have it on toast. You have it on jacket potato with some cheese.
What's a
Real
jacket
good.
potato?
Yeah, I don't even know what that is.
Is that like a potato?
A baked potato. We call jacket potato baked potatoes jacket potatoes.
Because it's got the skin on.
Yeah. It's like a little jacket opening.
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Aggressively British.
You know, seriously, this proves the saying that Americans and Brits are the same people separated by a common language. What it is.
Me.
Yeah. I
Sounds
like
like
see how do you feel about that though? Because America is so large. Like you can travel from like the Northeast where I'm from. If I go to like the South or even like where Wes is, like Kentucky and like kind of mid-Atlantic area, like that is its own culture to an extent. Like yeah, there's common threads, but then if I go to like Arizona too, like that's its own culture.
Yeah.
Um,
100%. Technically,
Like,
where
it's
I
a
live
it's the
is
same in
probably
the UK.
Midwest.
It's
It probably
the-
looks a lot like where Dave lives. To be
Okay.
honest, everything looks the same when you live in suburban like Midwest. There's
Yeah, that's fair.
not much difference between it.
No history. That's the problem.
What?
No history. You don't have like all the historic little towns that we have.
No.
I do.
I
We have
mean,
colonial towns.
Hey, Ollie.
yeah, no, I
What's
mean
up, Ollie?
proper historic.
Still in it.
All right.
Still in
Second
it.
I
target.
should have taken
IBL.
the 20. Should have taken the 20 points.
All the doubters on IBL. It's coming. In fact, I'm
My
getting
final
ready.
target for
I
this
mean,
is
we're calling it when it was
36
100
half.
points away.
And look at me now. How do you like me now?
Final target on this is 36 half. Can you buy beanstalks? I'm sure.
This thing's
And then
coming
if we
to
trade 36 half,
IBL.
I'm going to throw my IB order on as well. It
Right,
feels
well, I'm-
good to be scalping. I mean, obviously it's because I'm up, but like I took a hiatus from scalping essentially,
I know.
just waiting for the IB trade every day.
I know.
It feels good to be like taking some, even on like small size like micros. It feels good.
Just
Alright,
actually have some action instead of just sitting there.
Yeah. Well,
Question.
it's also because like I would start looking at these levels and like what I've been kind of marking them out as and tracking how it plays there.
Mhm.
So now that I have a little bit more confidence in actually executing on that, it's yeah, it just feels good to be practicing it is all.
I just want to remind my good friend
What, Phil? You like
Damn.
mustard on your beans?
that I got in
That's
at
just-
21.51 short.
Okay,
Nice.
that was a good box to box trade that you have here. I still stand by. You should have taken your 20 points, Dave. It's not looking good for you.
My friend
Yeah,
Yeah. You're only up 80 points, and you could have taken 20.
Tenor,
break-even's at
I'm
is
kind of
50
right there
points.
with you. That's what I'm seeing.
Yeah,
I don't know if
I
I'm gonna
like
take it, but I'm kind of right there with you.
He said definitely ban.
Yeah, because
Alright,
he puts mustard
Dave.
on his beans.
Yeah,
Puts mustard
that
on
is
his
crazy.
beans.
That is
Dave,
aggressive.
Diabolical. Yeah.
what would you describe the metal that Coca-Cola cans are made of?
Oh God, I know what's coming.
Are you gonna go
I
there?
know it's coming.
And
I'm
it's
just
not
asking.
aluminum.
I know your answer, Wesley.
The only people that say aluminium are people from the UK. All right.
That's how it's pronounced. It's our language.
No, it is aluminum.
Aluminum. What is that?
It's how the rest of the world says it.
Alright.
The rest
Yeah,
of the
your
English-speaking
parentheses.
world says it. Help me out here, chat. It's aluminum. It is not aluminium.
Mims, you still got an opportunity to join this train.
I'm not joining. I'm going long. I'm looking for.
Nebs, can I ask
IBL.
Yeah,
IBL.
yeah.
how would you say this? I'll type it out. Do you have Discord
Alright.
up?
You should put it in the live chat. Put it in the live chat.
Oh
it's
yeah,
fine.
just do that too.
Yeah.
No, that's not true, Ollie. That is not true. It is actually just the
Okay.
UK. It is actually
Wagyu?
just the UK that says
How'd you say it?
aluminium.
Wagyu.
Okay, that's
I
like
just
yeah,
added.
that's like an American way of saying it. You added?
Okay.
Let's go. I'm just curious.
Hey.
I heard people pronounce that so many different ways.
Alright.
Aluminium.
Yeah.
Yeah, aluminium is 5, so aluminum 4.
I like the clap.
Alu.
Yeah.
What is this alu?
The claps.
It's like you're putting O's in it where it doesn't have O's.
Shouldn't have added that.
'Cause it's a long U.
Ollie, technically the English language was not created by you. It's a Germanic
break even.
language.
Here
Just to
we
give
come.
you a heads
Here
up.
we come. All right, and what was American created by?
Alumin.
Let's go.
What the
Let's
hell,
go.
Lambra? Aluminum.
Yeah. Look how you've had to write that.
Go and
No,
Google it.
that's
Go and Google
Say
it. It
that.
will tell you that it's only the UK that says aluminium.
What? It's going to make me sign up for a pest control subscription at the same time?
yes.
That's so good.
Dude, I can't believe this short is working. This is
Yeah.
Yeah, Ben. Vitamin.
Oh yeah.
Vitamin. It's vitamin. Vitamins. You had your
guys
vitamins
just leave
this
out
morning?
entire letters out of your words.
Go drink your water.
I'm gonna adjust my lower target down to like 25 just to look for the 80 to 20 rotation because we rejected the like 20,080 area. So if we keep trading lower, I would assume 20 trades. And then if that trades, throw the IB order on. Hopefully that goes to full target and I can just call it a day.
There's no
short
E.
still.
Yeah.
And I added a mini.
Oh,
No
How? What
micro.
is your total size right now? This is your second ad?
Yeah, now I took the mini off, or I took the one
Yeah,
micro off,
tenor,
so I'm
no
just in
trade.
one mini now.
No
So
trade.
I'm
Took
break even
one
on,
micro off and threw
No
a
trade,
mini on.
wait for the 20k
and I'm break even.
turn.
Nice. Wait, so what's your total exposure? 2 minis or 3?
Just one. Just one mini
Just
now.
one? Oh, okay.
10
Yeah.
micros. 10 micros.
Oh, so you were
Buttons.
locking in the whole way down?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Good trade. Good trade.
I'm thinking of taking some off now, but we're gonna ride this one. It's gonna come out and stop me out break even, which will be too bad because I think it really pushes down. Just a matter of
That's
getting
what I
in.
want to think too, but don't get married to that.
Oh, yeah, it's there. It's there. Again, I'm break even on this, so it pumps me out on this mini or on the 10 micros. I'm fine.
See what I'm seeing, Wes?
I'm seeing DJP flexing his wristwear.
Oh, well, I
sorry.
can't even see it.
I didn't even, see. I got. Yeah, sorry about that. I get into this trade.
That's what
Yeah,
I'm
Calm
saying.
flex. Light flex.
I see it
Sorry
too,
about
Ollie.
that.
I see it too.
Freaking retest. No. Oh, it took me out break even.
Damn.
But that's okay. I did okay with that. It was like a 225 altogether on that. So not too bad.
Oh, dude, I just need to get these accounts funded ASAP.
I know there's nothing worse than sitting in a combine for weeks at a time.
I know.
Yeah.
I still
It's
think it'll die,
so crazy because we haven't broken an overnight level, have we? Yeah, we haven't. Jeez. Like all the data I took for like July, August, September. July was an okay month. August was a ridiculously profitable month. Even September was like a really clean month, especially for the overnight break trade. The IB trade was average. The overnight break was above average. And then we start off October just getting hammered. Like the breaks in October have been disgusting.
Yeah, I've seen your stats. It hasn't been playing out the way that it was.
It hasn't. That's why I'm saying market conditions might have changed. All right, go tag this 25 so I can get out of this. That'd be sweet.
Pushed it.
October. It really is October.
Yeah, it is October. It's wild. Time is flying by. October.
I'm in 1.5 and this puppy's coming down. I'm in 1.5 minis. 15 micros. Oh,
We
don't.
just need to get this
I'm break
election
even.
over and done with.
Yeah.
Yeah, DCD, I agree. I do much better in bullish markets.
It's so much indecision at the moment.
I know.
It's coming down. It's coming to take it out. It's coming. It's gonna do it.
I thought today that we pump a bit.
I'm short 2 minis at 51.
2 minis.
It's gonna break IBL. I'm gonna give it room to breathe.
That's what we thought back at 10:31
I
or whatever
know.
it was, and then it
Here
didn't.
comes
So
a 100-point rip up, back up
be
to
careful with
VWAP and
Yeah,
beyond.
I mean, I've got a tight leash on it. But
Yeah, the chop yesterday was.
Oh,
Yeah,
disgusting.
I mean, it was bad.
dude, I've been getting so many spam calls and scam texts the last like 2 days. It's insane.
Yep.
I've gotten 3 this morning so far.
iPhone does a pretty good job if you have an iPhone. I'm sure you do because you're a Mac user.
I do.
iPhone does a pretty good job at filtering those out for me. Like it'll literally say spam.
Yeah, it says that. Like I know it's spam or I know it's a scam call, but it's I still get it.
Yeah,
There we
me
go.
too. You wonder
Alright,
how they get
let's-
your number. Sometimes.
I'm so certain that like any website you sign up for and you have to put your number in, they
like
just
this
immediately
candle.
go and sell it.
Like this puppy. Down a little further.
Oh, fill me out at 25. and then give me the IB break.
I took off 1 mini there.
Nice. For 20 points
was-
ish.
It was just 10 points. I wish I'd had the 20
Still
points.
10
on there.
points.
I was a little late. Yeah, I was still a little late on it, but that's
Sounds
okay.
like you're cooking this morning. Cooking with fire.
Yeah,
How much you up,
I was
Dave? It sounds
cooking
like
and
you're
then
up a
I got
lot.
under, so I'm cooking again. I was underwater there for a little bit. I was up and then I was underwater and now I'm getting back up.
So we don't hear about the underwater trades, just the
Yeah.
No, he goes quiet. He goes completely quiet
Yeah.
when he's.
Well,
You guys know what
no,
I'm.
he's
Yeah.
taking the heat.
So I understand it now. Basically, Dave tells you when he's 20 points up in a trade, but he's already lost his 20 points on the losing trade before he
Yeah.
tells you about it.
That you didn't
All right,
even
you know
know about.
Just because of that, I'm going to add another mini here if you guys want.
Oh my god.
Oh,
What
God.
are we doing here?
I mean,
It's going to burst, man. I'm telling you. Yeah, DC. Thank you, DCD. These guys. No appreciation for
he's
one of
locked in. Even.
artists at work.
Yeah, DCD. I know when Dave goes quiet or when you don't see him in Discord or he's not responding.
Yeah.
He's trying to dig himself out of a
I'm
hole.
digging myself out of a hole. You can do it. This is going to be awesome. Almost thinking about adding right here. But let's
I
get
just
it.
realized since I only have one more contract on this, I just moved my take profit down to like right above IBL, and that way I should be able to still put my IBL order on the NQs. See if I can do it.
Last minute, here she goes.
That way I get filled out of one and enter the other on NQ.
That makes sense. Is it letting you?
Yeah, there we go.
Nice.
Nice job.
You've scared it off now. As soon as you put that order in, it runs away from it.
Yeah, honestly.
Yeah, market makers.
That's it. Phil?
I'm only holding this because the IBL break today is the 70% break. So it's more likely. Otherwise I would have taken this off way long ago, probably like at 50 points. This is a huge hold for me. I can't tell you the last time I held a 80-point trade.
Yeah,
Here we go.
that's a huge hold for anybody. Not just you.
That
That's
is.
a big trade.
That's a big trade. I agree.
Now, what you do is you let it run all the way back to break even now.
Exactly.
No, you don't.
Exactly right.
Don't. No, that's not what you do.
Exactly.
That's too fun.
Especially on a day like today, where it could very easily reverse here and just go back to VWAP.
True enough.
Yeah, we'll see. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a bath break real quick.
Yeah, I'm right there with you.
This is dirty what it's doing, but it's going to get there.
So
You
Nims
reckon,
and Dave,
Dave?
you're on your own for a minute.
I'm still in it.
Alright. Alright, Dave. Now everyone's gone. Just between me and you. Alright. You
I'm
really
still
you really believe in this pest control.
100%. Well, let me put it this way.
You have it.
The only reason I have it is for mice because our next door neighbor used to have these two cats that were outdoor cats and were great hunters. Never had a mice problem. And those two cats died. I ended up having a mouse problem, so I had to get to pest control.
See, my problem my problem is my cat for my pest control. My cat's the one which brings things in. Things don't come in on their own. I have had a slug invasion.
Ooh, well, because it's what is it? Yeah, because you're very rainy and stuff there, isn't it?
Yeah, just old buildings.
This is the time it runs right here. It's gonna pop this IBL now, and I'm still in. What I'm gonna do a screenshot so I can break that curse.
You cursing your trade.
I am.
Thinking about long now that you said you're taking a screenshot. You
Alright,
even
I'm back.
said, don't even take the screenshots, Dave. You said.
I
You said,
did,
don't
but
even take them.
I did say that.
Yeah.
DCD says what were they talking about, DCD? What were they saying?
Nothing.
Get back.
What were they saying?
That's between us. That's between us, all right?
Yeah,
You had your
what the
bathroom
heck?
break.
Apparently,
We
I
had
mean,
our...
I'll be able to watch the stream back if he doesn't respond.
What the heck?
Probably gonna call it here in about 20 minutes or so.
All right.
We've been streaming for 2 hours plus already.
That is a long stream.
Throw some beans on them. What was he talking about? Bugs again?
Tim's was.
Oh, of course he was.
I was just...
He was
just asking
questioning
some
the
questions.
pest control subscription, wasn't he? Of course he was.
How do you come to that conclusion? I could have been saying that I really believed in it.
There it is. Okay, DCD fest up. Nims, drop it already. Pest control is a thing. It
All
is
right,
a real
DCD,
thing.
we're going to have a word later. All right, no grassing. All right, there's snitching.
You know, this is going to chop and tell right
Yeah,
before the
DCD.
lunch
Have
hour.
have a good rest of your day, brother. We'll see you in Discord. Enjoy your weekend if we don't.
This is going to chop to the lunch algo. Possibly. Here we go.
He says, "Hey, chill."
We'll talk about this later. We'll talk about this later.
I really thought that me going to get coffee would cause us to move.
No, it's dead.
Oh,
It's dead. It's gonna be
Thought it
slow
was-
the rest of the session, probably until the last hour.
Don't say that.
lunchtime. Lunchtime it'll pop a little. It'll drop down a little bit at lunchtime, and then after that, I think. It's
Oh,
crazy.
nice. Go get that fishing in, DCD.
Nice.
Yeah, have a good one.
Yeah, nice job.
Yeah, Palm, I'm probably gonna call it here shortly. The market's just kind of died on us, and well, you got to
Yeah.
go to work soon.
Yeah, I mean I have until the end of like 12:30.
Yeah, we'll probably call it here in about 20 minutes. I'm trying to see if this gets you into this trade or not. But it just
Me too,
doesn't
man.
look- It just
Oh,
doesn't
you
look
know,
like
you
it.
know
It
it's
doesn't look like it's
you
going.
know it's going to go as soon as he goes to work.
Probably.
Yeah,
That's what happened to him
honestly.
yesterday.
Yeah. Yesterday would have
Oh.
been sweet too. If the overnight break paid for target 1 and I couldn't take that because my Wi-Fi decided to poop itself. And then the prior high break, I haven't done testing on them, so I didn't take it. But that one also paid for 10 points. And then the IB break that I missed because I was at work also paid for 10 points.
Yeah, it's got to be
Tragic.
frustrating to tune in while you're at work and be like, "Are you kidding me?" As prices just
Yeah, like I got used to it. It is frustrating, but I got used to it.
Tenor saying Tesla fat out sell algo. Let me look at what Tesla's doing here.
Tesla's been just fat sell algo for like the last week. What
This
happened?
is
Does anyone?
down?
Yeah, it's
This is looking sus for the shorts, though. I can't lie.
yeah.
We're
I mean,
rounding
I
out
agree.
really nicely.
Yeah.
Who knows? Maybe today we go sweep IBH.
That'd be something.
It would be. Probably also happen at like 2 o'clock.
Yeah, I won't be around for it.
Yeah, none of us will.
No,
Well,
no,
actually, I don't know. I don't know what Wes and Nims have going on.
I'm gonna go do something else. Other than I've been staring at charts all week.
I
Mhm.
agree.
Yeah, it's a Friday. Good day to have a day.
Good day to have
Alright,
a day.
a little bit higher.
Data
A little
have
bit
it.
higher.
Are you long, Nims?
Yeah,
Nice.
a bit long for
Oh, I'm
April.
out. I'm out. I'm out of mine, obviously. Break even.
Nice. All right. Mate, I took that Wiccan reclaim and it just looked really spooky. I was long from 62,
Yeah.
and yeah, I
Oh,
took
look at you.
Yeah,
I mean, I could have
Damn
held it.
nice.
I could have held it from longer and things, but it was just spooking me out. Like the action, I
Damn
was just like,
nice.
I just wanted to lock some in.
I mean, it literally
So
could chop this 20,000 like the midway, the 20,070 for hours at this point.
Yeah,
Like go up to
kind of what I'm
VWAP.
mentally preparing for.
Yep.
I mean, especially when we have a. Oh, why is this chart not going on? Especially when we have a really big move off the open and we set a really wide initial balance. Like we're
Yeah.
sitting on a. What's the range on this? Let's see. Yeah, 226.5 for range on IB. Kind of up there.
Yeah, I
Wouldn't
mean,
be surprised if
my
we-
IB range is 225.75, so yeah, right around there is what mine's saying.
Oh yeah, I'm on a. Sorry, I was on micros. Double check. What was yours? 225 3/4.
Yep.
Perfect.
Yeah, and then overnight's 322.25 range.
Overnight range is 300 points. Damn.
Yeah.
No wonder
Yeah, it
we
was
didn't get the
big.
sweep.
It was
oh,
a
it
big-
was because
It was because NFP fell during the
Yeah,
day.
yeah,
Right,
yeah.
okay. Gotcha.
Ninja's gone
So-
awfully quiet.
No, I'm out. I was looking at my messages. I've had the
He's
roofer
gone
go.
awfully quiet.
No, the roofer had to go around to my
That
one of my
was
places,
next.
my properties.
Nice.
Whoa,
So
whoa. You guys have roofers but not pest control? Come on, man.
Ah, yeah.
what is this? Do you get a joint package for the pests in
What
the
kind of country
roof?
is that?
Yeah. I'm trying to think of any pets. We had a grass snake. My cat brought in a grass snake once.
Oh, yeah,
Nice.
my dog likes catching those.
Yeah, that's all we have here.
I mean, don't you have rats?
Yeah, my cat's brought in a rat. I named him Omar. He was an absolute menace.
My gosh.
Kept
He
it?
got inside the walls and then he chewed through like the cupboard, like through the wall, through the cupboard, and then through the jar, the lid of a Nutella jar, and like ate all the Nutella. I actually had to get a pest guy for that, but he didn't
Oh,
ask.
there
He,
you
did,
go.
I don't
he
blame
didn't
him for
ask. He
that.
didn't ask. Do you want a subscription?
Well, maybe he
It's
should.
like a
have.
one-time. It's
Maybe,
a one-time
maybe it was
thing.
a poor business decision on
The-
his
the
part.
Yeah,
No, the
subscription
Yeah,
models
problem-
profited.
The problem
Yeah.
is, my cat brings in things and just doesn't kill them. He just lets them run free. I once
wait,
came
do you-
down. Yeah, go on.
Do you have
By the way,
chipmunks in the
short
UK?
at 70.
No, I've got squirrels.
Nice.
We've got a lot of squirrels.
Squirrels,
yeah.
no chipmunks though?
No, squirrels are super cute though.
I think chipmunks have ruined my car.
I don't doubt that.
They, I remember like there was a few times where I'd see them run around my car, and I saw one like actually live, like pop its head out from under my engine once. And then the other night, last week, my car died in the Chili's parking lot, and I opened the hood, took the heat cover of the engine off, and there's just acorns in the engine.
Yeah.
What?
So I think they chewed through something.
Outbreak even.
Dave, are you still
I tried.
slinging? Are you trying to make it back? Did you lose on that trade?
I did not. No, I broke even.
Okay.
I mean, I won on that trade, and then I got in, and I broke even again, so it's not a big deal. No.
Oh,
I
Oh,
just
thank
have
you,
faith
Tanner.
in-
Thank you.
I just have faith where this is.
Yeah, I just took 20 points out of it
That was
because
awesome.
I was down like 27 points at one point and I was scared. I was like, I don't know why I'm still trading my XFA. I haven't changed the account. I've just like
Jesus.
committed. Yeah.
Wait, Dave,
I
are
was
you
like,
sitting on a wood chair?
I am.
Do you not have
The
wood
dining room
chair
chair,
there?
right?
We
Yeah,
have wood
it's- yeah.
chairs, but to sit
All right,
this
I'm just
long
asking,
in a
I'm
wood
just
chair
asking.
is mind blowing.
You
Well,
see, the way you said it, it's like we've got a wooden chair.
Of course we
I've
have
seen
wood
one of
chairs, but to
those.
sit in one for 3 consecutive hours is
Hey.
come on, man. What are we doing here?
you know,
I was
In my
contemplating
day,
putting my desk in stand mode so that I could get out of my chair that's cushioned and soft.
Wait, Wesley, you interrupted Dave's back in my day speech. Continue, Dave.
we were happy to have a a three-legged stool. So
A three-legged
It's a three-legged stool. Yeah. Sunday dinner, if Papa brought home a can of spam, oh, it was like a feast.
So good. So good. Oh. Yeah, I do have a home office, but my wife also works from home, so she takes that
yeah.
on Monday,
Gotcha.
Wednesday, and Friday.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Kicks you out.
What does your wife think about the live streams?
She just stays away. She's like, she kind of shakes her head as she walks by.
I get the same kind of reactions.
Oh, come on, just dump
How
and get
short?
Palmetto into
Are we
this
gonna
idea.
do
Yeah.
it?
Palmo, you got a
68.
girlfriend?
Go.
Single?
I'm single.
Just dump this because it wants to. You know you want to.
You on dating apps? What dating apps do people use these days? What do the kids use?
I don't use dating apps personally. I hate them actually.
Okay.
But like Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge are the big ones where I'm from.
Okay. I met my girlfriend on Hinge.
Gotcha. I think of all the dating apps, Hinge is probably like the most tame. Tinder is just a dumpster fire, honestly.
Yeah.
I'm so glad I don't have. We didn't just.
Oh, it
have
was
that
better.
stupid
It was
stuff
better in the
there,
days
so.
before, wasn't it, Dave?
Yeah, you had to go to a bar or
Yeah. But people would be like wanting to meet and things like
Well,
that.
yeah, that's what I'd rather do. I'd rather go meet in
Yeah.
person, find someone in person, like have a connection.
have a connection. Yeah, there you go.
You don't meet many girls on the charts, I'll tell you that.
No, you don't.
Look, guys, I'm still short. I'm short at 66.75.
What? You were out? You're in?
Well, it keeps breaking it's break even, so I'm okay. I always go break even pretty fast.
Okay. How many break evens in a row have you taken?
Nice, Jack. It's like a jerry rig.
Bumble. Yeah, Bumble's the one where the girls have to speak to you
Here it
first,
comes.
right?
Here
Okay,
it
this
comes.
is aggressive. Okay.
Oh,
This is very
we'll finally
aggressive.
get it.
I'm sticking in this one.
You said it.
I
You
say
said it
that,
too
and then
quickly. You said
Yeah,
it too
Yeah, you
immediately
did.
bounced 10
Yeah.
Give
points.
it, now, give
Immediate
it
10
another
point.
15 seconds. Hold on. Give it another 15 seconds.
No, it'll be how long
Nice,
left
Martin.
did you give it, Wesley? Because Palmetto made it for like the last second that you gave him for the stream participants, and he'll make IBL by like the last second of the stream.
Whoa, was I on a timer? Was Wesley?
Yeah,
gonna-
that's
we're
what I was
gonna start?
calling you. Wesley said,
Yeah.
right, I've got to call it. And I was like, no, let me get him. Let me try and call him. Let me try and get him.
Oh, yeah, thank you
No,
for calling.
Palmetto knows why.
I'm sorry, Wes.
Palmetto's watched me do the setup. Like he's
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the concussions. I know it's the concussions.
No, it's not the concussions.
I took 5 micros off. We'll see. I'm breaking
Nice.
with 5 micros off.
Nice.
I don't think you understand how long it takes to crop everything and get everything in its right place. Make all the sources are good.
I've done it. I used to have to do it and things. Like,
takes a
Lunchtime,
while.
I'll go
My
drive
streams.
it up.
I spoke way too soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
You
my
scared it.
God. Yeah, I did.
Well, some ugly action again today.
Yeah, I know.
Thought we'd get something clean.
I mean, I did well. I made 1,500 a day.
Well, yours was the
Yeah.
cleanest trade. Yours is the one which ran all the way.
Yep.
You just couldn't make more because of the combine.
Yeah, I
Boy,
wouldn't
that
have
came
wanted
in
to
it.
trade anything other than what I took anyway, personally. But
I feel someone's talking badly about other people's trades they've taken.
not even. I just said personally. It was the one trade that I wanted to take. It's not talking bad about anybody. Everybody can trade their own
It
way.
took me out break even.
You say you wouldn't sling in the chop zone?
No, yeah, I'm not gonna be slinging in the chop zone. I mean, if you look at it, even on the overnight, right, prior to news, it's a chop zone.
Yeah,
Right.
I was trading, but it was cleaner. It was cleaner in the chop zone than this.
There's a lot of wick action there prior this whole entire week. It's just not. Even though my long was from here, I anticipated it chopping. So like.
Yeah. But you see why I like the London session. Just like look at the candle size of like
I know
how
London
clean
session's
we
been better
go
than
up.
regular trading hours lately.
It's so much. It's so nice. I generally lose money or like only make a tiny bit if I try and trade after open and make everything like in London. Probably should.
I will
stop.
say there is like a sweet spot for RTH, like US hours, from like 10:30, 10:45-ish onwards up until like 12:30. It slows down enough to where it becomes manageable, but it's
Yeah.
still there's enough movement to actually get a move.
Yeah. But what about this?
And then-
What about this today?
I mean, I'm sure there's people that are crushing this. Like
Yeah,
we've been
well,
sideways.
Jack
We're trading
made
in a
50
range,
Jack
so
made
I'm sure there are
5,600
people that
today.
yeah, that just doesn't really fit our trading
Yeah.
zones, I guess. But I'm sure there are people that are just scalping or not even scalping, just like limit at the bottom, limit at the
Mhm.
top, and then switch sides every time it touches.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
But we
you
have-
would have gotten paid.
We have the same profit for the day, Wesley.
Dave, are you still slinging over there? I see you all.
He
happy
is. He's
about
quiet.
something.
He is.
I'm-
He'll start whispering
done.
to the charts. Like, don't do that. Don't do that.
I got back to profitability, so I'm happy. And
All
I'm not seeing
right.
it.
I was like, why
Let's
is he
go.
cheating for you? What's going on?
No, my
Profitable
wife made it
trading.
free time for us on Sunday, so I was pretty happy about it.
Oh, nice.
All right.
Nice.
Palm, I don't think you're going to get your IBL
No.
things.
The IB
Dude,
trade
it's
is
looking
No.
terrible.
for now.
It is looking horrendous.
It teased it so bad. Oof.
Yeah, they tried multiple times. Sellers tried, and it's just not happening. So,
Not happening.
oh well. See, like this is exactly why, though. I'm glad that I started looking at like scalping or like actually like intraday trading again, even on the micros.
Yeah.
Like when this position closes, which I'm expecting to break even at this point, but when this closes, I'll be up 165 across 5. So like it's still
Nice.
is it a
Yeah.
great day? No, but it's still a decent day.
Yes,
Green
decent.
day.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is gunning for my break even.
Dave would have begged you for 165 a couple of minutes
one
ago.
point I would.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, we are right back at VWAP.
Yeah.
Look at
Are they going to
this.
get rewarded again?
I
This
don't
is
know,
so
but we
nasty.
aren't going to be around to see it because I'm going to end the stream here.
Yeah, that's fair. That's
I got
fair.
to stand up and go do something, go eat something. I got to
Same.
take a little break.
Apparently, I've got to move around from my wooden chair. That
Yeah. You've been shamed.
I mean-
You've been shamed. Wooden chair shamed.
No, I mean, obviously.
I'll
we'll hang
post
out
a
in
picture of my
Discord.
home office so you guys know I am.
All right. Well, guys, you got anything else you want to say?
Thank you
It's
all
been-
for
it's been
tuning
a fun
in.
day, Thank you. Yeah.
Put pressure on
stream, good
Wesley in the main chat about the golden boxes.
Yep.
And
Well,
also, just, if you have a quiet word with him, talk to him about his pest control spending problem.
Oh, unbelievable.
hey,
Absolutely.
congrats to DCD. He had some nice trades there.
Me and DCD need to have words after he snitched on me.
Oh, all right. Well, all right.
Awesome. Thank you
Dave,
for having us.
Nim, Palmetto, thanks for coming on, guys. We'll do it
Thank
again
you.
next week. Next week might be Thursday, by the way, because next Friday I have plans. So we'll try and
Cool.
do it next Thursday rather than
Cool.
a Friday.
right,
Anyways,
good.
chat, enjoy the rest of your day. We'll be in the Discord hanging out. Peace.